right, okay. We got who we got over here? We got Frank in Staten Island. Frank, go ahead.
Hi, first time, long time. It is Frank. Just want to say welcome, Mike. Thanks for coming back after your retirement. The Airways needed you, you know, like the dope fiend needed us.
We all know this.
I just would like to say I've listened to you for about 35 years, and I saw that you're in Adam Sandler movie, who is a Zionist, by the way.
Yeah, listen, I was...
And I just wanted to mention that it broke my heart. You broke my heart. You used the F word, and you know you never worked blue before, and to just hear that coming out of the Pope's mouth, it's just like it's disgusting. I mean, it was like seeing you kiss a black chick.
First of all, let me tell you something. For all sports fans out there, I've kissed black women before. Okay. Serena Williams.
Michael.
Serena Williams. First of all, do I know you?
Michael.
Please don't call me. Call me Michael again. I'm going to hang up the phone with you, okay? So listen to this. This is the problem. I love black women.
Michael.
You know? I've turned the corner in my life. All right?
But you're dropping the F-bomb.
Yeah, I am dropping F-bomb. So you know what? I'm going to do it one more. Go fuck yourself, okay? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. The F and WFAN, you know what it stands for?
What?
Fuck you.
Wow.
Okay?
I'm canceling my order, my subscriptions to the Mike Sound app.
You know what?
Fuck that.
Bring me a regular Coke, all right? I want all the high fructose corn syrup. I want all the smoke. Fuck you. Fuck your mother. Fuck your uncle. Go kiss your father in the mouth. How about that? Huh? That's how you feel. And the Mets are terrible.
Wow.
Awful. Gutless.
Wow.
Gutless. And you know what? Adam Sandler is a Zionist, but so was I. You know?
Wow.
Until, you know, I don't know how he's going to fit in the system in New Orleans. You know?
Wow.
But, you know, I too am a Zionist. So I don't see the connection here. Okay?
What a day.
You just, all right? So, next caller, please. Miles, get this guy off, please. Thank you.
Hi, how you doing? Mike.
Yeah.
I was listening to you. You know, I'm
excuse me, by the way, Susan in Long Island. I introduced you, but proceed. Go ahead.
Yeah. I'm in Long Island. Susan in Long Island. You know, it's like Make America Great Again.
Yeah.
So I'm driving on the LIE, and I just hear, you know, I got on Facebook, and I saw you drop the F-bomb.
Well,
and it's just like, you know,
Susan,
Susan,
I never said that. Susan, I never said that. Susan, I never said that.
It's right here. I can play it right now.
I never said that. No, what I said was
my black boyfriend.
I said funk. Like no. As a lot of people know this. If you don't know this, sports fans, a lot of people don't understand this. I am a very large fan of George Clinton and Parliament Funkadelic. I use the word funk because I do not work blue.
Wow.
Okay?
Wow.
Will Smith don't got a curse to sell records, but I do. So fuck him and fuck you too. All right? Mons, give me another Coke.
My kids are in the car.
Yeah, well, fuck your kids. You know? Okay? Fuck your kids. Are they black?
They're mixed.
Well, I mean, yeah, listen. You're starting from you're starting in the end zone.
I know.
I
got my back blown out at Sonic.
Yeah, you might as well just punt them away. Just punt it away.
You know what? I'm actually driving to a harbor to drive the car into the lake.
That's right. And you know what you're gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
Call the police immediately afterwards and say that it was a random black man. You're welcome.
I'm gonna name it on my boyfriend.
That's good. That's you're a smart woman.
Listen, I'm a Rangers fan. What do you want?
All right, good. I bleed blue. Now everybody get the fuck out of here.
Go
I'm
Lundqvist.
Gonna say whatever the fuck I want. Yeah, Lundqvist, a fucking king. Listen, Mike Frances has turned over a new leaf. I say and I do whatever the fuck I want because this is my station.
Now I do what I want.
Yes. Now I do what I want. WFAN is my domain. All right? Anybody else want to challenge the crown? Anybody else? Mons? You? At 2 Mons? Get the fuck out of here. Look, this is what I'm going to do. I do whatever the fuck I feel like doing. And so I have a new energy. I have a newfound energy. So what I'm going to do is introduce the #1 podcast on the fucking planet. I also was a guest on the show on several occasions because I only do big time events, sports fans. I'm going to do the intro for episode 172 of the most illustrious podcast out there. The only show that comes even close to the Pishkadil of my show. All right? Bodega Boys, episode 172. Do the drop. Mons, give me another Coke before I have to fucking talk to another one of these fucking cowards. Please. I'm winning an Oscar. See you at the party.
Episode episode 172.
Yo,
You know what it is?
Mike was on for a long time.
Mike was wildin'. He's been holding that shit back. He's been holding that shit back. 172, you know what it is? Most illustrious podcast in the world. You know, most dangerous podcast in the world. Most un-PC podcast in the world.
That's right.
You can't cancel us because our culture is so canceled that we're uncancelable.
That's right.
Because we are worse than the things that you guys want to cancel. The stuff you guys want to cancel, that's easy, but that's lit. Now we've been there. We use racial slurs y'all ain't even heard.
We was doing that shit in 99.
Okay? All right.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
The schoolyard.
Okay. For instance, from now on, white girls are now called dirty Air Force Ones.
That's right.
All right, I got to press the problem back. But, you know what I'm saying? We back in this business. You know what I'm saying? Do not listen to the rumors.
Dirty All
right? Your fat auntie with her chin, or her hair in her chin told you. I told you them niggas got canceled. We did not get canceled. These are Mero. Return to Showtime when? October 14th. Yes.
Get your mind right. Get your DVR right. Get your eyeballs right.
Okay.
You said we coming back.
I'm moving around the cell block like I'm going out here October 14th, nigga.
Ready.
Niggas might try to stab me up. That's all right.
You know what I'm saying?
It's cool, though.
You try to hit me, twin?
You're going to be there.
Coming for that ass.
Remember, the number one show on Showtime. If you hear about any other show on Showtime, disavow it. No. The only show on Showtime that matters is our show.
That's right.
All right?
You know what I'm saying?
All the shows that existed before, like, last week, yes. But that's
cool.
it.
That's cool.
Not talking about any specific shows.
That's right.
Just talking about shows.
But we out here.
We out here.
It's going to return.
Also, for my Jews,
you know what I'm saying? Rosh Hashanah.
Happy Rosh Hashanah, you know what I'm saying?
Gang shit.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
Rosh Hashanah. If you hyper Rosh Hashanah,
you know what I'm
saying? Rosh Hashanah, a great it's a great holiday.
It's a beautiful holiday.
What is this about? Who's
celebrating the Jewish New Year. You know what I'm saying? Jewish people have been along.
Wait, why do Jewish people have the New Year in the middle of the year?
Because you do what you want when you popping, I guess. You know what I'm saying?
To quote Robin Williams in Jumanji, what year is it?
5779.
5779.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, baby.
Oh, baby. We shot a tall baby.
And a Rosh Hashanah, baby. A Rosh Hashanah. 5779. No, shout out Rosh Hashanah.
Rush the dance now.
Nah. Rush it up.
Rush it up. Hey, rush it up. We're gonna rush up the place now. Bring the brisket. Bring pundits. Hamantash head. We're gonna rush the place up.
Rush it up.
Rush it up. Rush.
Go, Judy. Go, Judy. Judy twerking on the table. Like, she's doing a wild fucking Diplo dance and shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit! What do you give gifts for Rosh Hashanah?
Nah, it's like Thanksgiving, kind of like Thanksgiving.
So it's Thanksgiving and New Year's
at the same time. At the same damn time.
When are you Jewish people gonna admit that you guys just made up a bunch of holidays so you can get off of being school teachers?
I'm waiting to find out. Because
Rosh Hashanah.
Growing up, I was like, man, Jewish people are lit because they give me mad days off from school. I was like, oh, you give me 4 days off for Yom Kippur? I was like,
you know, the bad thing is, as a kid, you think it's good, but now looking back, I was like, damn, now that's why we're stupid. Because there was mad Jewish holidays. Like, dude, that was days we lost out learning. All right? Thank you, Miss Shapiro.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, sad. Miss Shapiro broke her leg. She was my third grade teacher. She broke her leg because the New York City Board of Education is weird. We had a different substitute every day for like 4 months. We ain't learned shit.
They ain't even supposed to do that to you.
It was like fourth graders like finger popping each other in the closet and shit. There was one kid, he would go to the bathroom with you and like he didn't know how to use his fly, so he'd pull his pants all the way down while he's peeing. And I always ran out the bathroom because I was like, that's how you catch the gay.
Yeah, facts. Also, all you motherfuckers that put your pants all the way down to pee when you was kids, you put your pants in a puddle of piss. Yeah, now, I know that was a lot of alliteration for you. Yeah, but you put your pants in a puddle of piss. You know what I'm saying? Because you let the pants touch the floor, and then I pee this pee on the floor. That's why I never shit in the airplane bathroom. You know what I'm saying? Because no matter what time you could be the first nigga on the plane. And if you fucking go in that bathroom, there's piss around the toilet. Guaranteed every time. And I don't know what the fuck is going on in airplanes, in big airlines, because we at the gate waiting to board for an hour, and y'all talk about they catering and they cleaning up the interior of the plane. That's why the plane is delayed 45 minutes. But when I get on the plane, why is there piss on the seat? I waited 45 minutes for that nigga to clean that piss off the seat. Why is it piss on the seat? Y'all might as well just let me on the plane and keep the dookie on the walls, nigga. And let me get to LA in a timely fashion. Okay.
This Chappelle special sucks.
What? That's how you know he's super washed. Right? He's like,
Yo, do you realize you just went on a wild rant about your flight to LA? You out of touch motherfucker. We are called the Bodega Boys, and you just beefed about the condition of the bathroom in first class on a plane, nigga.
I didn't mention first class. They don't know.
Nigga, we ain't in an economy. We are not in an economy, nigga.
Listen, you never know. You know what I'm saying?
We know.
You might have to catch a fast flight. You know what I'm saying? And sit crinkled up. You know what I'm saying?
Economy is hell.
Sit like a slap bracelet nigga in the back seat of the fucking...
After flying economy, I realized economy is like wild disrespectful to regular people.
Yeah.
Like, they're like, yo, would you like one drink?
Yo, would you like one drink?
And they're like, no, you're not getting a whole drink. You're getting half a Coke.
Here you go. Here you go. And I'm taking
and we're
the
going
can.
through turbulence and so hold out to your cup.
I don't care.
Would you like oh look, crackers.
Oh.
Would you like some crackers?
Yeah, enjoy.
They're like, hey, you paid like $300 to get on a plane. Would you like some of the snacks from the front of the bodega? Like, no.
No, I want food. Can
Give me real food.
I got actual food. Can I get a sandwich?
All right.
You know what I'm saying? I get some like a poke bowl or some shit.
They should at least be like, yo, you should at least have the option to buy cold cuts. They should be like, yo,
niggas bringing this shit in the paper with no bread. Like, yo, here, nigga, here's a quarter pound of turkey, nigga. You're sitting there eating shit. Like, yo, I want a thin slice. You're sitting there like,
no, they should just be. You should be like, yo, let me get a ham and cheese sandwich, and they make you a ham and cheese sandwich. They should have every flight should have the nigga from the bodega on it.
Aki in the front of the plane.
Get Aki out there like, yo, let me get a fucking
my friend, you want hero or roll?
Come on, fam, I'm starving. Let me get the roll. Yo, let me get that shit fry hard, chopped cheese.
Okay.
Let me get the salt, pepper, ketchup. You know, I put an egg on that shit.
Lettuce, tomato, onion.
Come on, bro.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I know the vibes.
All right, come on, my nigga. All right,
my nigga, you my nigga too.
That's right.
I can say because
if the guy at the bodega says the N-word and he's not black, you know that sandwich is fire. You know that shit, bro. That is facts.
I saw the straight from Lebanon talking about, yo, these my niggas right here.
And then you come through like, you be like, yo, you can't say the N-word. He be like, a drone killed my family. All right, fuck you. All right, I say what I want. He was like, I was busted an AK-47 when I was 14. All right,
you fucking clown.
I had to fight for a fucking bridge in fucking Morocco.
You know what I'm saying?
Are you want to tell me don't use the N-word?
I used to sniff gunpowder. Okay?
I shot my own mother. You know just like, oh shit.
Oh shit, goddamn.
They be like, oh shit, word?
Remember that fourth ISIS video where they drowned the nigga in the pool?
That's my fault. And you be like, oh shit, I should learn your name. Nope.
No.
Aki.
But Aki means like friend, right? Like,
it means brother.
Brother, yeah.
It means brother. Yeah.
So
it's good. It's cool. It's not disrespectful. It's better than what every New Yorker used to call. Everyone used to be like A-Rab.
Yo, A-Rab.
Everyone was like A-Rab.
Yo, A-Rab.
And we thought that's how you say it, Arab, and apparently it's not. Also, shout out to Busta Rhymes.
We get A-Rab, buddy.
Yeah, that's the point where everyone was like, all right, we're stopping.
Okay, we gotta stop. Because if you're gonna make the hook in Arabic, at least make it real Arabic words.
Oh man.
It's like hula hi, I was like, yo, fam.
We haven't done that to a culture in a while. We haven't just like taken their vocals and thrown down a hook.
You know what's wild though? If you think about it, the only other person to do that has been canceled.
Who?
Was R. Kelly with Toya Toing. Remember Toya Toing? It was wild disrespectful. He was like in a kimono with the two Asian shorties and they like swinging katanas around and shit. Yeah. And then he OD'd, like he doubled down and was like in every ethnic group. Like he was in the desert on a camel, like wearing a throwback jersey with two Arab shorties.
Yeah, looking back, R. Kelly's been problematic.
In a myriad of ways.
Doing went though. Shit. You know what now? Like if you know how like what was it in Us? How they redid like I got 5 on it. Like if you redo Doing, but just have them doing like Doing.
ASMR shit.
Yeah, ASMR R. Kelly. You know, so your kid's gonna go to bed fast. Like yo, nigga, R. Kelly's under your bed. Yo, all right.
Yeah.
So don't get up and get no water.
Yeah, because if you do. I got Michael Jackson ASMR on deck just in case.
Put his foot on the floor. It's just like happy people. Yeah. Like, oh my god. Is it easy to? You know what? Now that I think about it, like
my mind is telling me no.
How often do you come in contact with R. Kelly songs on a daily basis?
Yo, listen.
Like, you don't just be minding your business, you stumble on R. Kelly. Like, that's what you gotta look out for, right?
You really have to be in the right place.
We're good.
You have to live in a building with at least, where the population is at least 45% middle-aged women. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, they love some R. Kelly. They love some R.
Ooh, ooh.
Yeah.
That's my baby. That's the king of R&B. You don't know about him?
Damn.
It's like, damn, you rocking with him like that?
He had a good run, though.
He did.
A good molesting run.
You know what I'm saying?
He's still on the run.
No, is
he locked up?
No. You didn't see that shit on Twitter?
Well, why? Nigga, why? Niggas on the run eating.
Niggas on the run. Just lock him up. Like,
damn. How he's not in Canada.
Yo. Okay. Niggas on the run eating young cheeks.
R. Kelly out here mad problematic. Chico the Barge unproblematic and y'all not listening to him.
That's right.
I don't know if he's still dropping music.
I mean,
or if he went back to jail.
Shout to him. Tony Sunshine's unproblematic. Go fuck with him. He's out here in front of. Sometimes you gotta look at their lyrics. Sometimes you think someone's unproblematic and you're like, oh, you problematic as fuck. Oh shit, never mind. Okay. Because unproblematic in 2000 and 2005 is much different than unproblematic in 2019. Like. You might have heard some shit in 05 and be like, I shot my girlfriend in the pussy. Yeah. And you be like, oh, that shit rocks. And now you're like,
Askinazi had a whole song about like throwing his girlfriend down the steps for an abortion. And we found that whimsical. And you know what?
Not so much. Niggas used to be like, oh, shit. Yo, this shit is fire.
Also, pushing your girlfriend down the steps for an abortion, that's fucked up.
Yeah. Also, it's tremendously lazy.
And that's gonna change the aspect of your relationship.
Facts.
I hope.
Listen, because
I hope she'll not mention it. I hope she just like cook breakfast the next day, just like, y'all miscarried anyway. What we doing today? Don't do that.
You're at Thanksgiving and shit. You're like, yo, can you pass me the potatoes? You killed our baby. It's like, oh, here we go.
Here we go.
You was with it. You was with it.
Right? Maybe you don't know how to go down the steps. How about that?
You was with it.
Okay.
Stop lying. It was you had black ice on the stairs.
Sky. Oh wow.
Yo.
No, you can't be.
You can't be pushing women down the steps. That's pretty basic.
That's, people are gonna clip just this part of the podcast and be like, they're such allies. They've always been like fans of women.
I've always been a fan of women. I've always loved women. They're great. They're the
Big
best.
You know Shout out to women. What's your favorite part of women?
You know what I'm saying? Probably the butthole hairs. You know what I'm saying? Nice. The delicate butthole hair.
Yeah.
That you don't even really see until the light hits it from a certain angle. And then you see the little perianal hairs. It's like adorable. You know what I'm saying?
I like the fact that they can do anything a man can do. Yeah. And then I like letting society push. Nah, fuck that. I like that when the butt cheek is a little darker than the part. Yeah. You know that shit up. Yeah. Switch your boys back in the house. You know what it is.
Yo, Ma, if you got thigh burns from your thighs rubbing together, I'm trying to see all that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
You ever be like, yo, you ever like get mad turn up? You're like, yo, Ma, you got stretch marks.
Yeah.
And she's like, why? I'm like, nah, that's just nice.
Just hot.
I like that.
Yeah, I fucks with it.
That's just like Rainbow Road and Mario Kart.
It's like GPS to the church. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. It's like, yo, the pussy is here. It's like, here, nigga. Follow the lines. This is where the treasure is.
Wow, we're disgusting. We're disgusting. At this point, I'm tired of this. This has been 132 episodes of this. Like, look at Victor's leaving. Victor's like fed up. Just tired of this. We're too old.
He did the mom shit. He's like, man, boy.
Like, listen, you got 4 kids. I'm too old. We can't be talking about Pino like this at this point. This shit is just sad. Do you listen to this podcast? All we talk about is porn and buttholes and shit.
The sadder part is that the Pino stars are aging with us. So it's like, you know what I'm saying?
They're actually not. They're not.
They're aging
What
out.
happens is like you start watching your Pino stars. You watch your faves, but they stay with you. But new ones come and you find out and you're like, who the fuck is Lily Tiger?
Lily
and then
Tiger.
You click her name on X Hamster. She has 352 videos. You're like,
yo, who?
But she's like, but she's so young. You're like, I can't watch this.
Nah, I can't watch this shit.
So you go back to like fucking Kira Rodriguez or some shit.
You know
like, yeah,
like yo, you more my speed.
I'm like, yeah, you've been making porn since '91. Yeah, you've been making porn since SD.
You talking about Pino like you talking about the fucking LeBron's draft class and shit. Like, yo, that was a strong draft, yo.
Yo, she was on the XXL freshman cover. Yeah,
fam. She came out with fucking caramel and fucking
Midori.
Yo, Midori.
Jade Fox.
Yo, Ice the Fox. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, shit.
Shout out to Ice the Fox for breaking down mad barriers for Afro-Latino
You know what it is.
sex stars.
Shout out to my boo Marie Love.
You know
Still
what I'm
moving you to my apartment. You know what it is. She's retired from the Pino, but
Yo,
you know.
Ice the Fox is, I don't know if she retired from Pino, but her daughter does Pino now. She's following her mom's footsteps.
You know what? There's like a negative connotation. People who do Pino don't get enough respect in our society.
Yeah.
Like people like diss them and insult them. Like they're doing important work, right?
Yeah. I seen a Pino star being like, yo, what I do is just like what an athlete does. You know what I'm saying? Like, I go out there, like, I perform, I break a sweat, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I sacrifice my body.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying? For your entertainment. You know what I'm saying? I see
Shout out to
absolutely
them.
no difference between J.D. Stevens and Tom Brady. You know what I'm saying? They both out here winning. You know what
I
I'm
feel
saying?
you on that. I feel
You know
you.
what I'm saying?
That was a hot take. That was a hot take. I feel you with that. What if they turn it to Rosh Hashanah and it's just like you come through with like mad brisket and hams and shit?
Oh, shit. Okay.
Or we could call it Rosh Hashanah and it's for gay Jewish people and they do mad poppers.
Oh, shit. Yeah. You both just gets wide dilated.
Whoa.
Yeah. Spicy. 2 times. I love it. What are we doing? I was at minute number 5.
Or we call it like Rosh Hashanah.
No condoms. You gotta leave your condom. If you got a condom in your wallet, you gotta put it in a bowl when you get to the crib.
You just gotta nail it to the front of the door. Oh, Jesus. Jesus.
Nah, Rosh Hashanah's gonna be lit this year. You know what I'm saying?
Who's coming through?
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Mari Stoudemire. Shout out to my friend. You know what I'm saying? Shit. Like, I might just start doing the Tommy dinners of Rosh Hashanah.
Just do an Instagram live of Rosh Hashanah dinner so we can all watch.
Yeah, I'm about to do that. I'm about to just invite every famous Jewish person.
There you go.
For Rosh Hashanah.
Yeah. Like who? Like,
Shit, fucking Amari Stoudemire, obviously. Fucking Ezra Koenig, friend of the show. You know what I'm saying?
Vampire Weekend.
Vampire Weekend. Who else? Oh, damn, no Woody Allen. Larry David. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Larry David. Who else? At least 2 Black Israelites. You know what I'm saying? At least 2 of them. You know what I'm saying? Because they count. You know what I'm saying? They're from Israel.
Damn, you asking the wrong person. I don't.
What's their deal? What's your deal? Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't go to Black Israelites and be like, "What's your deal?" You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna get barked on.
You yelled out with the phone posits.
You know what I'm saying? With the megaphone in your grill.
Shit's crazy, bro.
You dairy fucking ingesting devil.
Look at this whole slut bitch wearing a skirt. You're like,
excuse me?
it's my wife. What are you doing?
What are you talking about? And it's ankle length. Like, what's wrong with you?
In an alternate universe, we definitely would have been Black Israelites. Either Black Israelites or TSA agents.
Yeah.
Black Israelites, TSA agents, or Uber drivers.
Black Israelites is what happens when you get a city job mad early, like straight out of high school, and you retire at 40 and you got nothing to do.
Yeah.
So you just dedicate your life to being fucking a jerk.
Just yelling at tourists and shit. Just be like, yo, I can see your ankles, you fucking whore.
You bad wench. You white devil. You white devil. Like,
White
yo,
devil.
whoa.
White Devil sounds like the original name of White Claw, and it was like, it's not sounding right.
I don't know about that.
I don't know. It's not sounding. Shout out to everyone. Schmidt act off that White Claw.
You know what I'm saying?
White Claw creep up on you.
Listen, it's not a game, and it's not a rumor.
White Claw is like dating white women. Like it seems fun at first,
Yeah.
and then by the time you realize you wildin', it's too late.
You wildin'. You're
too
like,
late.
yo, you're
Next,
already
now you in court.
Now you're all in.
Now
Watching Gilmore
done.
Girls and
Shit's
shit.
done, bro.
Yup, that's it.
Shit's done. You don't get out there. Don't fall for the White Claw.
Yo.
Don't fall for the White Claw.
Yo, White Claw.
Claw.
Purest driven still.
Running through my veins.
White Claw. You know what I'm saying?
Something like a phenomenal. Something like a phenomenal.
Yo, baby. Talk to him. Play that shit. That classic shit. Grandmaster Flash and the Furious 5.
Freeze! Rock! Freeze! Rock!
I was walking to a pub, chilling like a dub. Had to get fill the dub and put it in my mouth. I was going down south.
That's right.
I saw and they said, and I said, can I get a White Claw? White Claw?
White Claw.
White Claw?
White Claw.
White Claw?
You want some salsa, brother? I got some shit that'll fuck you and your mother.
Let me ask you, asking y'all, what's the name of that drink? White Claw.
White Claw, y'all.
White Claw, y'all.
White Claw, y'all.
White Claw, y'all.
White Claw,
Hip it, hop it, don't stop. Drink it down.
You don't stop now.
Hey.
And you get the White Claw. And you crack
coke.
and
Do a
you
little jack.
That's right. Tie off. Do some heroin. White Claw. When you're thirsty and you take it fucked up.
Also, that's a wild bootleg Grandmaster Flash. I don't know what that is. That's like a Minecraft version for the black part of Minecraft.
Minecraft type beat.
I'm in the Bronx part of Minecraft.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a Nike tech suit.
Yeah. I downloaded the Bronx pack.
White Claw.
Yeah.
Is White Claw is like basically like
It's like flavored Zima.
It's like what?
It's Zima.
Yeah, flavored Zima. Oh wow, Zima.
Yeah.
Took it back, Zima.
Yeah.
Zima. I'm gonna name my second daughter Zima.
Yo, I would respect the shit out of that. I would. It's
Zima
like,
Limerita Nouveau Baker. Yes.
Zima Limerita Nouveau.
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Remember when T-Pain was pushing Nouveau?
Zima, get your little ass over here.
Yo, stop.
Oh, fuck.
Daddy, I don't care, Daddy.
Zima.
I don't care. I don't care. I do what I want. I don't give a fuck.
Get over here. I can't like beat her.
Stop.
Mad people see her on shit.
That's right. I'm popping. I'm super popping.
Wait till you watch my Instagram and I post a sonogram and I do the shrug emoji under it like. Niggas caught me. Damn, niggas caught me.
Got caught up.
How y'all feel? You happy now? Damn, Gina. Are you happy? I will marry you. Damn.
This nigga having a baby out of wedlock.
No, if the secret way I would tell you guys if I have a baby coming, if I take any pictures and I have the Burberry shirt on.
Oh.
Like if I go on Jimmy Fallon and have the Burberry shirt on, that means I have a baby coming.
I'm like, yo, baby's on the way.
Baby's on the
You know
way.
what I'm saying? Oh, shit, so wild.
That means I have to have the baby shower in Harlem.
Oh, you have to?
Yeah,
Of course.
We're at a like Mercury Lounge.
And you have to have a DJ.
Yeah.
You play wild, like.
Say less.
Play wild shit.
A DJ that doesn't use the sound system that the club has, he brings his own speakers. You know what I'm saying?
Big facts.
There you go.
Shout out to my man Remo. He had his baby. He had his third baby shower at
Third baby shower.
Yeah, facts. At,
After the first baby shower, you should not have another baby shower.
Did somebody look at him as a baby and call him Remo, or did that come up?
It's like a street name.
Yeah,
Okay.
Come on, bro. Don't you know about street names?
Just making sure.
Yeah, but he does look like a Remo. Like you see him, be like, oh, that's Remo. That's my nigga Remo right there. Yo, shout out to Remo. He had a baby shower, and the DJ came half an hour late because he was getting out of incarceration. And then he pulled up and he played Dreams and Nightmares intro as his first joint. I was like,
Ooh, I used to dream of times like this and eyes like this so I could rhyme like this and sound like this.
and it was in a VFW, so like the bartender was like two old white dudes.
Oh my
and it was just
God.
like, yo, they're like, yeah, we're out of Hennessy. We're out of Hennessy. All right? So I got to put a fucking sign up here that says we're out of Hennessy. We're out of Hennessy. All right?
I forgot back when I was wilding back in the Bronx, I went to a baby shower where we all had guns on us. And we were like talking, like all the guys were outside talking about guns we had just bought. And like the
it's a baby?
pregnant wife came out and was like, "Could you come inside for the picture, please?" She was wild, and it was like we were wilding so much, like we were looking out for like a rival block we were fighting with because we thought they were gonna come shoot up the baby shower. So she was Bronx life is different, bro. Bronx life is, I had on hush puppies. I was like, should I wear the derby? Too much?
Too much. Too much. You know what
I'm
gonna keep it classy.
Let me wear this penguin shirt. Yeah.
I'm gonna keep it classy. Get the Iverson braids.
Shit, you know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna dress it up a little bit. Get the Iverson braids. You know what I'm saying? Tuck my shirt in. You know what I'm saying? Let y'all see the Ferragamo belt. You know what I'm saying?
You know.
Shout out to Helen and Rubenstein's credit card for copping this. Yo.
I once went to a wedding in Brooklyn where the bride was pissed because the groom smoked before the wedding and was wild smacked.
Oh, you gotta be wild.
No, he was like too smacked.
Oh,
to, like,
too smacked to like function?
Yeah.
Oh, nah, you can't do that.
Yeah. And at the reception, all they played was Jamaican music to the point even I was like, are you not playing anything American?
Are y'all gonna play?
It was one of those weddings where it was like they were playing Jamaican versions of American music.
Oof.
That had not come out yet.
Oof.
I was like, how you got a Jamaican version of Ariana?
Party in the USA?
Of Ariana Grande, Just Keep Breathing. I was like, this should not exist.
Just keep breathing and breathing and breathing and breathing.
You know you want to keep on breathing. But they try to just keep breathing.
Breathing, yeah. Man, I breathe up and breathe up and breathe
Long
up.
dick, give it all night.
Wine
Throw
pon
that
it.
condom, wait on time. I am putting it in your spine. Me, I fuck all night. I not gay, so give me pussy. All you guys give me that pussy. It's like, I'm like, it kind of slaps.
It was well inclusive too.
You gotta like buy it at 9 a.m. in the Bronx on a 45 vinyl at Moody's Records and shit. But you're like, yeah, I'm gonna win this sound clash.
And
Fuck
you also buy the DVD movie starring Ninja Man.
Oh shit! Take that shit to everyday people and run the shit.
Yo, oh shit! They're like, yo, he got the deep cuts.
Got some sound clashes.
Yo, shit.
Not enough sound clashes anymore.
Yeah, we gotta do that.
I think white people should start having sound clashes.
Yo,
Imagine like a white guy pulled up to like your brunch party, start playing some Dave Matthews and shit.
Yo, he's like, yo, Dave Matthews says, crash into Billy.
Whoa.
Oh shit, he said Billy. Yo, he got that dumb plate.
Niggas just grab his eggs like, yo, whoa, bro, this is a brunch. What are you doing?
Whoa, dude.
Bro.
Whoa, it's too fire.
Bro.
Too fire, bro.
You're disrespecting Buttermilk Channel right now. What are you
shit,
doing?
Bro?
Yo.
You come out with the wild fucking...
Yo, I'd fuck with the Elton John sound clash. Yo, and act like Jamaica wouldn't be there full force if
You know
Celine
we
Dion's
would.
on the opposite side.
Oh, shit.
Bro.
Enough respect, Celine Dion. Burn up the body man, Elton John.
The thing about Celine, you know what?
Just hit that one time.
Just hit that one time. All right. Let's not burn up any body, man. Celine Dion is wild because you'll just be at a barbecue, they're just playing regular music, and you drink, and then like it's like 10 o'clock. No, like at like
You be
1 a.m.
vibing and shit, like, yo.
just chilling. You got that good vibe going on. And just like, you're my hero. And I'm just like,
yo, oh shit. They ease into it though. Shout out Jamaicans. Y'all ease into it because y'all will play the sad. Like it'll go from like the turn up dance hall wine pint kaki to the sad shit like this is for my fallen soldiers. I miss you. Then they go into the Celine Dion and Phil Collins and shit.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying?
Celine got hits.
Big up on the DJ party hard.
Celine got the joints.
She got bangers.
Because you will literally be at a West Indian barbecue and then you just hear the song My Heart Goes On from Titanic. And they're just hanging on to each other, rocking back and forth. It's crazy. And I say this to say this. As active as you see her in the concerts, you know Celine pussy be yanking.
Oh, man.
You know she got that maple syrup.
Oh, man.
Okay?
The husband's dead, right? He died?
He died during sex.
Oof.
He didn't. Yeah. But
salute.
But
cheers to you, Renee.
Cheers to you. Imagine Celine Dion like, give me that dick, nigga.
Yeah.
Give me that dick.
Give me that nut, Zaddy.
Give me that nut.
Yeah.
Spit in my mouth.
He's like, He's like, yeah. He's like, no.
Yo.
He's like, yeah, I killed that. I killed that
relax.
shit.
Relax. I need you to relax.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the check.
Yo, because when they were having on the show, she could bring this up. She was like, "You are mocking the death of my husband? Huh? That's my husband? Of Renee? How dare you?
Who are you to speak like that?
Imagine you was dating Celine Dion. All the places you would take her to show her off and shit.
Oh man,
I'll be in that.
bro,
I'll be heavy in that Red Lobster in Harlem. Like, yeah.
She's like, yo, why you making me wear Grammys gowns and everything?
My
I'm like,
nigga,
so niggas know
imagine
who you
taking
are.
Celine Dion to City Island. Woo!
Like,
They
yo,
don't get more Bronx than that.
Like, you want some fried scallops, fam?
Yo,
Got
she's
you.
like, we'll get the crab legs broiled, and can I get the half lobster?
Yo, bring my boo, babe, yo. Bring
Can I
her
get
babe, you know what I'm
the-
saying?
Salad with the blue cheese and the potato.
Yeah. And, yo, bring her an extra, you know what I'm saying? Extra little white peas, you know what I'm saying?
What's the last name on the reservation?
My
I'm like,
queen.
Dion.
Dion.
Dion, y'all.
D-I-O-N.
Dion. All right?
As in Celine?
Also, because y'all don't use like any kind of digital thing and you're writing it down on a notepad, we will be in the car. So just come outside and
Just
say
let us
Dion.
know.
Nigga be out there for like 50 minutes, like shit.
I'll show you. Dion party too?
Oh yeah. What's up?
Yeah, but our table's ready.
Oh, thank you. Like
It looked like Kennedy Fried Chicken table, but like it is.
Fuck
what
it,
is.
let's go.
You know what I'm saying? Johnny Street, holla.
can I have the Mike Geronimo shot? Thank you.
Shit is Hennessy with some milk. Milky.
I'm so high. You're so high.
Yo.
I'll be getting money to the day that I die.
Yo, shut up, Mike
It
Geronimo.
was funny. Everyone in the 90s was talking about they was getting money till they die. Not so much.
Not so much.
They just broke now.
Yeah, you're not dead, but you don't have money.
Yeah. Hate to see it.
Yeah, hate
You
to
was in
see
a
it.
Lexus in the 90s, and now you on the train with the rest of us.
And now, it's like that picture that will forever be seared into my brain of like Black Robert like performing at like what looks like a Planet Fitness.
Yeah.
I was like, yo,
Well, Black Rob was like a professional criminal. Like his thing was getting hotel rooms next to niggas and kicking through the wall.
That's
Like
right.
if someone's gonna kick through the wall, the safe ain't stopping them. Like that's a lot. That's a lot.
Black Rob's the only nigga to go on tour and you and rob you at the same time. You been a tour bus with the nigga be like, yo, run your shit.
Oh,
like
my
Black
God.
Rob, like I'm opening for you, my guy.
They don't have that anymore with like new rappers. They have like scam rappers, but no rappers doing like breaking and entering.
The B&Es and shit. YG has a song about Flock It. Which
That's
is like it's like the West Coast version of doing a B&E.
The home invasion. Okay, breaking and entering is different than a home invasion. Though.
A home invasion.
Home invasion is
Like,
different.
yo, I know you there.
You
and I
gotta
don't
respect
care.
the home invasion.
Yeah, like I know you there, nigga. I'm still pulling the burnout.
Low key for the splits, like for the first 30 seconds of a home invasion, you like, oh, these niggas think I'm popping.
Oh
Shit.
Oh, you kind
thank
of like proud and shit.
Oh
like,
wow, these niggas think I'm getting money.
man.
Thank you.
Yo,
Thank
know
you.
what? I fuck with you, man.
Then you just hit a gun cock like,
Oh
shit.
Oh, the shit is real. Okay.
oh shit.
I
I don't got no money, but you know who do? Mero.
shit.
Let's give him your home address. Shit.
Niggas go to my crib. I'm like, I don't got
Nigga
no money.
like, come on with me. I'm like, nope. Shit. Oh fuck. Dude, I knock on the door like,
What's up?
yeah.
Oh shit, what's going on?
Yeah, niggas be like, yeah, niggas are trying to rob me, but I told them you had money, so now they're gonna rob both of us. So.
Oh shit. Yeah. The problem is I got too many kids, dog. I don't have money. Oh shit! I got a scooter, nigga.
What is a home invasion? Do they expect us to have money in our house?
Yeah, like stacks and stacks and stacks of cash.
Even if you take me to the ATM at gunpoint, the most you can get out is maybe $300.
$300.
You just gonna hold me for a week? I'd be like, I gotta use the bathroom. Can I get a coffee? Not too much milk. I'm lactose intolerant.
Yeah, please. Just like a splash. Just a splash of cream just to like give it
Hi,
a little...
I'm kind of fighting some depression, so can you give me the ginkgo biloba and the B12? Like,
Where the fuck is it at?
it's over there. It's over. Oh, there's a. Okay, you see a little ceramic thing. It looks like a little angry mother.
Okay.
I use
is
that.
Is it like right by there?
It's over there. That, but
Here, hold the gun. I need two
thank
hands.
you, thank you.
All right. So where am I looking?
Just look to the left.
Okay. By this ceramic thing right here.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, there's a little tchotchke?
Those
Oh, it
two right
opens
there.
up.
Yeah, just take those out.
Oh shit.
Just
Okay.
bring those back out.
All right. Here.
Thank you. Here, please take the gun back.
Thank you. All right, take the gun back.
Oh shit!
All
I
right.
should use that.
Yeah, you could have killed me, you stupid. But
Damn.
it's neither here nor there.
That's
but
why I'm depressed.
We're cool.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying?
This is whack.
If at any point you want me to kill you and end your misery, just let me know.
You know I'm a sushi boy, so I was just wondering if you want to look away while I jerk off, or if you want to make eye contact.
The guy, I feel like we've passed that point of like home invasion where it's just like now we're cool.
Niggas is making new ingredients and just feeding it to each other. Like, try this minestrone.
It's delicious.
I'm like, oh.
Where'd you learn how to make this?
It's like niggas are tired of me. I'm like, I mean, I don't really love niggas, but I want you to stay.
You know what? I was thinking the same thing.
Like fucking family and shit. Like, just stay, nigga. Stay with me. He's like, I guess some niggas is gay now. Guess some niggas is gay. Niggas immediately start going to fucking farmers markets and shit.
to quote Fat Joe, like, yo,
Niggas is gay.
Niggas is gay.
If Phase the Black, he just comes out. Fat Joe's like, yo, niggas is gay.
Niggas is gay.
BX all day. You know
yo,
what it
you
is?
know what I'm saying? If you gay, rep your set. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my God. We just figured out how to make $1 million. BX or gay. We're gonna do gay. You know what? Nah, we're gonna chill. They're good.
LGBXT.
Listen, the LGBXT. Oh shit! Wait, what are we doing? What gay shit? Are we doing like pink chopped cheeses? I don't know.
Like like a drag race, but you gotta do like you have to use like Bronx items like Averexes and like just kind of like Iron Chef where they give you ingredients and you gotta freak it. Like do like a version of Drag Race where it's like, but yo here, like you get one Averex, a pair of Jabos, and a pair of Uptowns, and you gotta like reconstruct them into like whatever outfit. You know what I'm saying?
I feel like people getting out of jail would just get in that and be happy.
And be happy.
But
does that solve RuPaul's diversity issue?
No.
Did he or she have one?
No.
'Cause you got the question, but I didn't bother to listen to the answer.
Oh,
they said there wasn't any, right?
No, I mean
RuPaul only had white drag queens.
No, RuPaul only has like white people working on their show.
Oh, okay.
We have black people on our show. All
gang,
right. Gang.
You
How
know what
you
I'm saying?
feel?
We out here.
How you feel?
You know what I'm saying? Pow,
Okay.
hold that.
How you feel?
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
And she's a
Z-Way is her
woman.
ancestors' wildest dreams.
You know what I'm saying?
Actually, her ancestors like, oh, she works on a what?
What
a
is
show?
that?
What
Yo,
the fuck?
Z-Way did
Wait,
the-
a TV show? What the fuck is TV?
What the fuck is that?
Nigga, we going for water. What is this?
What's going on?
They gotta specify what ancestor.
Yeah.
Did they be like your grandma or they be like your great grandmother?
You can't say great.
Because you might go back there like, yo, because if I go back there, I'm like, yo, I did y'all proud, you know what I'm saying? On Showtime, we got a podcast. I work with Dominican kid, you know what I'm saying? We performed in Vegas and shit. And they be like, yo, this rock keep Tiger away. I'm like, you know what?
Okay.
All right, y'all niggas is stupid.
All right, I gotta go 100 years into
All
the
right,
future.
y'all not bringing the
Y'all
heat.
really wildin'. Y'all really wildin'.
Niggas taking a shit right where they wash their food and shit.
Like,
I'm
yo, what
oh,
are you
wow.
doing?
Oh, y'all my ancestors for real,
Damn,
huh?
that's wild and sanitary, Unc.
Still performing set.
Every time I see the word Unc now, I just think of Shannon Sharp. I can't stop. Like,
And what's the deal with running water? Everyone's like, Ooga booga, Ooga booga. This is good.
Skip.
He funny. He funny.
Skip. These are Mero. They some funny dudes. They some funny dudes. Skill. Let me tell you something, Skill. These are Mero got the #1 show late night, Skill. They got the #1 show, and they ain't even had LeBron on yet.
Also, I love how that we do have the #1 show on late night, and I get offended when I see other late night shows mentioned. I'm like, what the fuck? We are the #1 show on late night.
The fuck you talking about?
Because sometimes you gotta just will shit into existence.
That's right.
When we actually do have the #1 show on late night, we're gonna be such assholes and shit.
Oh my God.
Can't wait. Do every show in a fur coat.
Oh God. I seen a picture of fucking I don't know who it was, but they were wearing a mink somewhere in the Bronx, and I was just like, yes. I was like,
I'm gonna start sexually harassing staff. I think I'm gonna every time I see Josh, I'm gonna flick his nipples.
You got a sack tap Josh every time you see him?
Yeah.
Like, yo, what's up?
You like your job?
Yeah?
Huh?
He's like, yeah, I like it. You guys are cool.
More
I
like
have
Josh Fondelman.
what?
Yeah, come here.
Well,
Just rub it on his head.
okay, all right.
How you feel, Josh?
That was cool. It wasn't, but I'm not gonna call HR or anything because you're, I don't. Is that racist?
Watch him fuck you both up with his Emmy that he won this year.
He shout out to Josh. Shout out to this year.
Shout out to the guy.
All right.
Emmy Award winner.
Shout out to
You know what
Josh
I'm saying?
winning Emmys, but not for our show. I believe something like that happened in The Wire, and they had to kill the character. Ooh. Wait till we take Josh in a vacant. I'll be like, Z-Way, finish him.
Yo, brother Muziwe.
Z-Way's gonna be like, I'm gonna miss you. Josh gonna be like, I seen everything but Christ.
Kill me, motherfucker.
Tell Maris I love
Yo. Yo. And to Z-Way.
Are we reshooting The Wire just using the staff of our show? You know what? While we laughed, there's so many white people like, oh my God, please, yes.
Yo, please. That would be amazing.
Instead of reparations for white people would be a new season of The Wire.
Just have
Think
boom,
about
there you
it.
go.
Think about it. Think about it.
Ooh, they would love that shit.
Because they did
in HD.
They did
Oh my
schools.
God.
They did newspapers. So the next season of The Wire should be
Like
hospitals.
Boom.
Bow.
Pow.
Right there.
Genius level.
Like a
You know what I'm
spinoff, like
saying?
The the General Hospital, The Wire.
The Wire edition. You know what I'm saying?
He's hooked on coke.
He's hooked on coke. God damn
my God, McNulty's been shot.
Heaven plays McNulty and shit. She's like, hey guys, I've been shot. It's quite uncomfortable. Just leaking all crazy like,
oh shit.
Yeah, shot to the whole game.
You know what a lot of people don't realize? Getting shot like fucks up your day.
Yeah, it really does.
Like if you had other shit to do.
Yeah.
Like yes, now you have to go to the hospital because you got shot. Duh. But like say you had a dentist appointment, or you're gonna go buy shoes. Like now you have to call the dentist and cancel. Maybe you don't get the shoes.
You can't get the shoes.
You didn't even care about the shoes at this point.
And then by the time you do care about the shoes, guess what? Sold out.
Sold out.
You know what I'm saying? They don't got, you
can't even wear it because you gotta go to physical therapy because you got shot.
Yep. You gotta wear that soft. You gotta wear like soft boots. I don't know what the fuck.
Something you gotta wear like you in the hospital for 3 weeks. You got shot, nigga.
Yo, nigga gotta wear Roshi runs for fucking 2 years straight.
Well, you gonna wear brand new Jordans when you walk in the hallway. Doctor tell you, listen,
with your ass hanging out.
I need you to be active at least 30 minutes a day.
Be like, I got you. I'll play 2K for an hour.
Get shot. Also, the idea that we casually laugh at getting shot says a lot about America, but you know, it's just reality.
I mean, listen, getting shot at
I've been shot at. It's wild disrespectful.
Yeah,
because you know what happens when you get shot at. You was like, it was not even that serious.
Yeah,
like what they go, like seriously, like punch me.
Yeah, dog.
But
you don't have to come.
Nigga, you shooting at me?
You just fucked up the whole.
That shit hurt your feelings.
Bro.
You be like, oh. You're like, oh wow.
Oh, you trying to kill me?
Nigga, a tear in his eye, like this nigga. Wow, you really want the world to not have me here anymore?
Wow, okay.
Because I stepped on your sneaker.
Wow, I thought we could just fight.
Wow.
I thought we could just fight.
Like
in this day and age of videos and all shit, I thought you just piecing me out.
Sir, you committed you're so angry at me. You committed 3 felonies
at once.
Wow. It's not even that serious.
Like, come on, man.
But sometimes it be. Sometimes it be.
Sometimes.
There's been some times I've been wilding and niggas, try to kill me, and I was like, you know what? I had that coming.
I
was a jerk. I was a dickhead Yankee fan, and you know what?
You know what?
The world doesn't need me. So sorry.
I know.
Panini.
I told you understand.
Sorry to be a meanie.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay.
I thought you wanted this for me.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying? Yeah, sure. I owed you $1,500 for a month, but like, is
that really something to kill me over?
Like. You know what I mean?
Wow.
I've been deleting your voicemails.
Wow.
So what?
Wow. Yes, you've caught me in your house with your wife. What are you upset about?
Like, what do you? I mean, shit.
Be mad at her.
Life happens.
You know,
like, shit happens, bro.
It's a convenient location.
Come on, like,
she got the good puss.
Like, chill. God damn. Yo.
Can't be in the house like, yo. You walk in the house, you connect automatically to the Wi-Fi. They're like, oh, wow.
Oh, okay.
Even worse, like, she got the Sonos app on her phone. She got a playlist already. She's playing like this shit. Like, I was like, nah, she never been here before. She's like, romantic playlist too.
Yeah. Toppy playlist? In all caps? Huh?
She's like, shh, I'm grouping the bedroom and the living room. I'm like, stop, you're making this shit hard.
Stop, you're making this shit hard.
Play. What's wrong with you?
It's like the hotels would be like, "Welcome, Mr. Baker." When you fucking, I'm like, check in, like, yo, chill.
Police.
I told Shorty my name was fucking John McFarland.
Gordon Hayward. Okay. It's hard to creep. It's hard to creep nowadays, okay?
Yo, you can't even change your name.
That's why I respect our fathers.
Yo, for real.
People juggle the whole second family.
Yo, salute to y'all.
Salute to them.
Shout out to the previous generation of West Indian men.
I can't even get away with watching a Netflix show out of sequence.
Yo.
And these people raise a whole nother family. Not one sibling, like 4 siblings.
Shout out to my half brother William, you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Leticia. We out here.
And that nigga look just like my pops.
You know what fucked up? You get raised, your father has a secret family. And then chicks are like, you really gonna cheat, nigga? Like, yes, that's what I know. That's how I was raised. Get down with the program.
It's tradition. All
right? How dare you? Okay, that's what we do. Listen, the actual motto of Jamaica is out of many, one people. Okay? You know what that means, Mom?
Yes,
right?
out of many, one.
Out of many, there's gonna be 1 people at my funeral. There's gonna be 4 front rows.
Many pum pums. I'm not choosing one.
All right. Oh shit. Nigga treating poom pooms like Costco samples.
I'm trying to show.
Let me get more of this.
Oh, take it. Okay, you mind taking a hand that off?
Oh man. Nah, if someone got multiple families, you know, like,
Yeah, it is what it is.
it is what it is.
You know what I'm saying? I ain't even mad, but I have
Think about this, like,
it's a grown
okay,
right now.
they cheated on you, but they didn't leave you.
True.
Something to be said for that, right?
In my case, it wasn't even like my mom's kid. Like she don't even got a leg to stand on because they weren't even married.
Oh.
Like they weren't even married.
Yeah, my parents were
They
definitely
were just
married.
like, yo, we
Define
just talk-
married.
like paper married.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like on paper. Yeah. Like it was like, yo, we getting married. Like you're my girl. Like you're my main
your
joint.
father hit her with the jagged edge. Wow, wow. He was like, "You be here, I'll be
Yo,
here." Like,
and it was wild. 'Cause
I was like,
yo.
what the law got to get involved in?
And then my mom talking spicy, like, yo, I was the baddest bitch in town. Like, this motherfucker trying to play me. Like, I wasn't the baddest bitch. I had the fattest fucking faucet blowout, nigga. Like, you crazy? Like, my shit was laid. You stupid? My shit was silky. Like, this motherfucker
But
trying to play me.
he never wiped it up.
No, he did. Like,
But it was they had the
he wiped it up for like 2 years and then legislatively wiped it up. You know what I'm saying?
Got you.
It was like, yo,
And when did the
you're pregnant, so I'm gonna go to New York and then you're gonna come to New York and have this baby in New York.
when did
Trying to have
the
this citizen.
director's cut family come through?
The director's cut family came through, yo, because he was like, yo, it's a good tie-in. When I was 15, he was like, yo, they be giving out condoms in school and shit like that. I'm like, yeah, why? He's like, yo, use them shits. I was like, why? He's like, you know William, right? I was like, yeah. He's like, I was 15. I was like, word? Oh shit, nigga, you popped the kid out when you was 15? I was like, gang.
Oh, so he had a family before you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's different.
Yeah,
That's
and then he bounced on him. He was like, nah, because Shorty was like the town.
No. My father,
like, Donington. And
my father definitely spun off the Marvel universe. I definitely remember that day.
Nigga went into the Spider-Verse.
I definitely remember just being in my apartment and just hearing my sister like, we have a little sister. I was like, what? I was like, it's like 9 a.m. What's going on here? I was like, I'm so confused. Also, I was with a girlfriend they really did not like. So the whole time they had talking to me and ignoring this girl, and I was like, you need to acknowledge her.
But
But shout out to my little sister, who also my little half sister, who came and was like, she was like, you're on TV. You should have better house. You should have a better house than this. And I was like, oh.
Wow.
I was like, joke's on you. We both have the same loser father.
Damn.
I once took my little sister to the park, and some guy was like, yo, that's beautiful, man. You know, like, you don't see that a lot, like black fathers, you know,
Staying
being in their daughters' lives and shit. I was like, this is my half sister, nigga. I don't know her.
I'm here precisely because her father did not stay in her life.
Exactly. And I was like, you need money? She was like, no, we got money. I was like, oh, so
I was like,
you
so
good?
what are we even doing here?
No,
What's the point of this?
In my head, I was like, I could take her to like the Oscars or some shit. She's like, nah, I'm good. She's like, I'm the most popping person in White Plains.
Yeah,
I, like, right,
I don't give a fuck. Fuck out of here, nigga.
That's cool. But I think if you have one secret family, you should have multiple secret families. Go hard. Yeah. If you got, because the whole Jamaican thing is you can have as many families as you can afford to pay for.
That's true. Yeah.
So, you know, you have wifey and then you have matey. Okay? Hasan knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah, matey. Yeah,
all right?
Yeah, you gotta have them.
If you wifey, you good.
Yeah.
Wifey ain't going nowhere. Matey's come and go.
Yeah.
Okay? Wifey.
Wifey's wifey.
Wifey is who I tell to contact with the condescent bill.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
That's your emergency contact.
Exactly.
Yeah, when you fill out papers. Yeah.
All right? I will be giving the speech at wifey's funeral talking about, you know, good provider.
Yeah.
Good mother.
Take care of picking them.
Good partner. Economic with the real estate.
Yeah.
She enjoyed 78 on her thermostat.
Yeah.
She was not a whore with 80.
No. Good woman.
Good woman.
Okay.
She bought all her makeup at Rite Aid.
Yeah.
So I respect her for
True
that.
thing. Yeah.
True thing. Love a wig.
Yeah. Always, you know, support the local business. Up more traces.
We always missionary because she said doggy style was gay. And you know,
true yardman thing. Nah,
true yardman thing. She right.
You have to respect her,
you know,
her wishes. You know.
You know, I never went down on her because that's where she peed from. But
no,
you know,
no.
You know, I will miss her. I'll miss her.
Yeah.
She's like, eat me out. You're like,
Nah,
I'm good. I had a long day. The sugar came on.
Yeah, no, sorry.
No, I'm not putting my face down there.
No.
Put my face where? Down there.
You thought.
Is it easier to eat pussy than suck dick? Ladies? Oh, they're not listening. All right. So,
He's like, yo, leave me out.
leave me out this shit.
I feel like it's easier. It's easier to suck dick because the dick is just like it's like an object that's sticking out.
Right.
With the pussy, it's like you got to get in there and explore the pussy. And
It's like
find,
eating a burrito.
Exactly.
Exactly.
You know what I'm saying?
Thank you. See, that was not sexual harassment that we're talking.
It's sex positive sex talk. You know what I'm saying? It's just a matter of fact.
It's like eating iceberg lettuce.
There's layers.
Layers.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like imagine trying to eat a pussy like you would suck a dick. Like it wouldn't work. Because you would try to like suck a thing that's not there.
Yeah, that would hurt, I would imagine.
It would
You suck off a hymen?
Yo, listen.
Suck off the clit?
Yeah. If Shorty pushes your head down like that, you're not doing good. You're not doing good.
It's not good.
You're not doing good. There might be teeth rubbing on the clit. Yo, clit's very sensitive. You know what I'm saying?
I've heard that. I've read a Wikipedia article about that.
Yeah,
Yes, that's true.
And through my trials and tribulations with fucking cunnilingus, I've learned that the clitoris is to be treated delicately and with care. You know what I'm saying? Unless you get real nasty, you're just like, yeah, play my shit, slap my shit, put a little earring on my clit hood. You know what I'm saying?
Earrings? Oh, wow.
Yeah, you never showed you with a hood twist?
I've only had sex with Christians. So.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
So we don't do that.
True. I respect that.
We only do that in marriage. So
You get married?
get married
never had sex ever?
Get married for 1 weekend in Utah. She's like, I've never had sex or sugar. I was like, I'm about to blow your fucking mind.
Yo, you about to get your clip pierced?
What is this, coffee?
Oh wow, I'm fucking losing it, bro. It's a frappuccino. Should you start wilding over frappuccino?
Have wild sex at Dress Barn.
Start twerking and shit. Yeah.
So you fucking whore.
Yeah.
Let me pull up that dress. Let me see your ankles.
Yeah. Oh
Ooh,
man.
wow.
Oh, is that a control panel on that pantyhose?
Let me get up in that shoe of my maiden. Ooh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck.
God,
yeah.
Ooh. Yeah. Oh, take off that shapewear. Oh my god.
That shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh god. Yeah.
Oh, shit. Let me get in your book of Jacob. She'll scream out scriptures and shit. She's like, oh my god, Matthew 44 verse 2. You're like, oh shit.
You're like, what the fuck?
What? They gotta stop and look at the Oh.
Yeah, oh my god.
There is a world where we both, I don't know, something bad happened to both of us and we're like super religious and married and all that shit. And we're living like...
in like Amish country and shit?
Like a suburb of Chicago or some shit.
Ooh.
And we're in a book group, or we read the Bible.
Ooh.
And like every night we call and pray with each other. And it seems like wild gay, but it's not.
And no drugs?
But no drugs, no drinking.
Oh no.
You want to know how corny we were? We both wear Skechers and we go to Sonic's because we're super amped because Sonic's has happy hour.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna be a bad boy and mix the cola with the melon.
Guess what I'm gonna do?
Don't tell our wives.
Limeade.
Let me call it. I'm dialing 9-1 with another one because someone is walling. I call you Nick Cannon because you are walling out. Oh shit! Oh, you know what? I don't want to say this. I got tater tots.
Whoa!
I know we're not supposed to eat them. We're not supposed to eat them. Well, you know, it's almost full.
Listen, you're a guy that likes to let loose.
I mean, within reason. Within reason.
I mean, come on. Once I saw the elastic on the Dockers, I was like, this guy.
Oh my god,
this guy.
You know I'm a crazy cat. I'm a crazy cat. Let's hold our hands in prayer before we eat. All right, Lord Jesus
Lord,
Christ.
please bless these cheesy tots and this footlong hot dog. Thank you.
Yeah, those guys are definitely rapists and child molesters. Anyone that withdrawn is like, yeah,
1,000,000%.
You know that.
You don't check the hard drive.
Oh, you
don't want to see what's on there.
You could think that, like, you know the person you're sleeping with, and you think you know what they're into.
Oh no,
you have no idea.
You have no clue.
You have no idea.
You have no idea.
All right.
It took me years to piece by piece, like be like, yo, Heather, like I'm into this and this and this.
Mm-hmm.
Like, don't be ashamed.
Yo. It's like, what's some of these videos with like women in high heels and worms and red balloons? I'm like, you know what? You know, sit down. Let me explain this to you. Let me explain this shit to you. She's like, why is this lady picking little cactuses? Oh my God, is she gonna put that in there? I was like, you know what? Yeah. She put little cactuses in her pussy.
Yeah. So
that's what I'm into.
You know what?
Also, you know how difficult it is to find a good video like that? You ruined it.
I found it.
You ruined it for
I found
everybody.
it was 1080p.
Okay.
Thanks for fucking it up.
Jesus.
And making me feel terrible about
All
it.
right.
Kink shaming me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I have to cancel my OnlyFans subscription to Cactus Tasha.
Oh my God.
Jesus.
And that's her thing. That's her thing.
Yeah, you gotta send a wild message with the OnlyFans subscription. Dearest Cactus Tasha.
Sorry.
For many years I've enjoyed you and your gapping pussy hole. However, my wife is a big old bitch and making me cancel. She's standing over you while you're like, I'm like, what? The shit was hot.
Yeah. I'm like, I always thought, like, listen, I'm all for transparency in relationships and shit, but if you're a dude and you're like explicitly talking about the pino that you watch with your shorty, like, I don't know.
Well, if you watch it with your shorty.
Oh yeah, that's
different.
Yeah, but if you're
like telling your shorty what type of pino you watch,
this is what I beat off to?
That's weird.
That's very weird.
That's like some weird power dynamic in your relationship. That's like, because she's just there like, I don't want to hear this, and you're just doing it to her. Like,
yo,
that's not
guess
cool.
what I watched yesterday? Huh? I watched fucking Tushy.com. Kendra lost first anal. She's sitting there like, why are you telling me this?
She's like, I'm a school teacher. Like, why would you talk to me like that?
I don't care. Like, what are you trying to say?
That wasn't Kendra Less's first anal at all. We all know that.
Yo, what type of fucking yeah, that's the truth. Yo, facts, because I feel like Pino is the same as like cellular phone companies. Because cellular phone companies are like, yo, we have the fastest network in the nation.
Right.
But every fucking cellular provider has the fastest network.
Speak on it.
So when you get a Pino and it's like, yo, so and so's first, whatever, it's like, is it really?
It's not.
This never is, right?
But also, like, what you gonna do? Sue?
That's what I'm saying.
You gonna go to Better Business Bureau? Like, yo, she said it was her first anal and it's not.
Call Celino and Barnes. Do a class action lawsuit. Like,
Celino and Barnes ain't even together anymore. Now it's either Celino or Barnes.
Damn. Well, shit. We'll bring it back together for this because this is major. Class action lawsuit. That was not Kendall's first anal.
There's an alternate universe where we thought we were being funny and we named ourselves Celino and Barnes for our first podcast.
God.
And we got successful, and then we just got like the wild lawsuit and shit. It's like we have a show like all these channels, like Celino and Barnes, and they got sue. Nah, Victor would not have allowed that.
Nah, hell no. He's like, that's a terrible idea.
It's not happening.
Why would you name yourself after the local lawyers?
That's true.
That's very foolish.
Because they could actually sue you.
Yeah.
That might bring them back together. If that was like the long con in the play, then they drop it on and be like, see, we're all friends now.
Celino and Barnes. Celino and Barnes, injury attorneys.
We also have these niggas, Desus and Mero.
They got us. Hey, did you grow up like breathing asbestos? Did the cop shoot you? Like, take that shit to court.
Yo, were you in New York State at all during 9/11? You may have mesothelioma. Call 888-888-8888.
That's right. Celino and Barnes. They're like lawyers and shit, and they come to the court when you be in court, and they do court shit so you don't have to stay in court.
That's right.
So call them niggas. 1-800-888-8888. There you go.
Boom.
Commercial done.
You know what I'm saying? Pow. Wear suit. Bodega Boys out.
Niggas don't even edit that shit. Niggas just run that all the time on the Yes Network.
It sounds so low, so that the Yankee,
this is terrible.
The Yankee game volume is here, and then the commercial come on, the volume is up here and shit. Like, you're like, oh shit.
Hey, I killed my wife and I have bad credit. Where can I get a car? Come to Bronx Toyota. I'm like, what is this? What's that preface? Like, why? What? They're like, yo,
Bronx Honda man, you wildin'. Bronx Honda man fighting to say shorty.
He's like, yo, if you got $200 and a pay stub, you drive home in a car. I was
that's
like,
right. I was
really?
Like,
that seems pretty low. Like,
that's not too good to be true.
That sounds very too good to be true. Like, what are you guys up to?
What's the scam?
What's the angle here?
You know what I'm saying? The angle is we're gonna fucking give you a loan at like 87% interest.
Yeah, so when you pay this off in 2041, I'm like, how am I paying $560,000 for a Toyota 88 Camry?
I don't know what's going on.
Like, no, it's like service fees.
He's like, yo, I got my income tax return back. Can I just pay this shit off in full? Deal's like,
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Damn it.
You'll pay all this interest, motherfucker. Stupid.
Oh.
Shout out to my sister still paying off a fucking 2008 MDX from Major World.
Major World. That is an official ripoff place in New York City.
That's like, yo, you only go to Major World if you got a very bad credit or you sell wild drugs.
Major World is like, yo, nigga, are you buying a car because you were just on the train pissed off? That's Major World. Because they know you come in tight, you don't give a fuck.
You're like, yo, I want that. I don't care.
I want a Nissan. I want a Neon, and I'm willing to pay $50,000 for it. It's like, no, that's not how much a Neon costs.
They don't even make Neons.
And then they tell you like shitty shit. They be like, yo, that shit got like AM, FM.
You know what I'm saying?
Cassette radio.
She got an antenna.
Nigga, who got cassettes?
Yo, car got headrests.
Look at this. Automatic windows.
Ooh. Yo, the bumper's still attached.
Yo, I'm not even gonna hold you. Like a lot of cars don't have this, but watch this. Nigga do this and the antenna go.
Just mad loud too. It's mad rusty. God. It's one of them shits that still got the automatic seatbelt shit on
Yo,
it.
y'all fuck with CDs?
Oh, what?
Oh. Yeah, but y'all fuck with 6 CDs.
Ooh,
we got 6 CDs. We got 6 CD changer in the back.
Ooh.
You can't really change it while you driving.
Nah,
but
you gotta open shit up.
Shit litty.
Yo, I did have one of them shits too. I was like, before I got in the car, I was like, all right, what am I gonna want to listen to all day?
The Crew.
All right, let's throw that in
Beat
there.
Nuts.
Okay.
Little Sean Price.
All right, little Stark and Hell's Hot.
Hey, you leave the Groove Theory in there just in case I see a bitch.
You know what I'm saying?
Here we go.
Fuck that.
Tell me what you wanna do. Oh, this nigga got 6 CDs. I'm gonna let him beat.
Hell yeah.
Let her beat. She beat after Belly.
She got the remote that got a wire on it. Like, shit barely reaches the front. You're like, yo, guys. Yo, so you can switch the CD from the front, ma. You know what I'm saying? You switch the CD
Everything
from the front.
rappers used to brag about, it's just like regular shit now.
Yeah.
Rappers would be like, yo, I got a camera in my license plate. You was like,
oh, shit, yo.
This nigga know about surveillance.
Oh,
and shit. That shit is the borderline. Like, you have the shittiest car right now. You got like a window in the back of your car.
If a rapper says that now, it's like, what, nigga, got a Honda CRV, nigga?
With like, what was it? On All About the Benjamins, was Jadakiss was like, pack an Uber Nuber for the months, and I was like,
oh.
Nigga said Ukanuba.
Oh, that must be that.
Nigga, I have coupons for Ukanuba from Target. I could get a 40-pound bag.
I got a BOGO.
That's just like $26.
I got a BJ's BOGO fucking coupon for fucking.
They'd be like, yo. Jay-Z was like, oh, we at St. Thomas, nigga. I'm like, nigga, that's like the first destination to go. That's where niggas go when they don't got passports.
That's income tax. That's income tax money, right? Yo, my income tax.
Yo, we're gonna travel for $500.
Yo, word up. Yo, we taking Spirit Airlines.
Oh my god. And then what was the whole thing? Put TVs in the headrest? Like,
yo,
that was
TVs in the headrest. Sega Entertainment.
Nigga, we all got Sega.
Boy. Whole backseat full of cartridges and shit. You're like, yo, what you want to play, niggas? Sonic Spinball? Hold on.
You know what? The 90s changed. You just think of all gangster rappers playing Sonic. He's got the gun out and shit.
Yeah, the shit freezes. They can take the shit out like. All right.
Sonic P like, fuck, I lost all my rings.
Prodigy in the back like, yo, Thun. Yo, I got 50 rings. I did the supersonic code, Thun.
Yo,
I'm golden Sonic, Thun.
Yo. Oh, shit.
Yeah. Rest in peace to Prodigy. And
Rest in peace to Prodigy.
All his Sonic Sega games.
Rest in peace to Prodigy and all the other rappers that people don't mention. They mention rappers that died.
True.
Because everyone's like Biggie and Tupac, which we still have not solved. What's going on with that?
2019. They got Trump whistleblowers. We about to.
I think that's more like we go to the cops and the cops like, yo, suck my dick, get the fuck out of here.
Yeah, beat it. You ask the cops like, yo, who killed it? They're like, who cares?
Who gives a shit?
You still on there?
Who killed him? Probably the same guy that's gonna kill you fast and crush you. Get the fuck out of here.
Beat it, you fucking jerk. He can just pick up a name. He's like, yeah, fucking
Hey Vinny. This broad over here, she wants to know who killed Biggie. It was all a dream. She used to dream Murder magazine.
Oh yeah. Guess who killed Biggie? Fucking
hypertension. How about that? Yeah.
Uh-huh.
How about that?
He didn't take his Lipitor. That's what killed him.
Black ashy as ever. Yeah.
Yeah. I guess he wasn't Gucci down to the socks.
If by Gucci you mean bulletproof. Hey, all the people calling cops because I was selling crack in front of the building. I guess they won. Take that, Biggie. Biggie Smalls, y'all. Yeah, you talk about she looks so good. You suck on the daddy's dick. Yeah. I guess the daddy won't be getting that phone call or the dick sucking.
Hey, guess who got shot?
Who?
It's unbelievable.
You should go to the Apollo.
Biggie Smalls is the deadest.
Yeah. Bad boy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do with a bullet tutu? But no, I mean, he was a goat.
Right. Yeah,
you know? Listen,
he's all right.
You know,
That Juicy song kind of goes.
I love it. I love Derek Jeter used to have his walk-up songs. I miss him.
Yeah,
Let's go, Jeter.
Beautiful.
You know what it is.
Beautiful mulatto boy.
I love that guy. He was a good mix. He was black and white, not white and black. You know, if the mother is white and the father's black, it's like an Italian icy. You know, you gotta scrape the bottom to get the good flavor out. You know,
I just imagine Michael K talking about the nigga like, oh yeah, he's a girl, beautiful mulatto.
It's beautiful mulatto.
But I was like, sir, you can't say that.
Rosenberg comes through like, there have been 5 mulattoes in the last 200 years in hip hop.
You don't say.
Yeah.
You don't say. Sanchez, this one's
You ever heard of Logic?
Oh, quarter the track.
We're gonna play some Logic right now.
Yeah, he's Africarian.
Wait, was Macklemore mixed?
And he's never eaten a banana. Macklemore's Roger Klotz from Doug. let's just get that out the way.
Macklemore was everywhere. He just disappeared.
Yeah, he's mixed. He's white and he's fucking and goofy.
Don't ask me why I know so much about Macklemore.
All right, let us know, Victor.
But it took him like 5 or 6 years to make that album that he ended up like winning Grammys for.
Yeah,
because
he had that song,
a compilation.
He had the song "Thrift Shop," right?
Yeah.
Thrift Shop.
Oh, dude, I'm gonna pop some dance.
Everybody that listen,
this is hip hop for white people.
This is a hot take, and I love her. Everyone that enjoyed Thrift Shop loves Lizzo.
Facts.
Throwing it out there.
Yo, listen.
Throwing it out there. Throwing it out there.
Zero shots.
All
Zero
right?
shots. The clip is
It's
empty.
on the same fucking playlist, nigga.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna pop some tags.
I got $20 in my pocket.
Why men great when they gotta be great? Same shit.
Yeah.
Same shit.
It's like stomp and
All
clap.
right? If you are at a party, if you're at a dinner party with white people, and there's 2 gay guys, and it's in a nicely located building with the rent is over $300, and there is vegetable dip, and someone has made a recipe that they found in salt acid fat burn.
Facts.
They're playing Lizzo.
Facts.
Throwing that out there.
Facts.
That's highly specific, but that is exactly what's going on.
what's going down. That's
Okay?
the soundtrack.
All right.
Every recipe.
If you are at a dinner party where everyone is proud of their job, has no problem saying their salary, they're playing Lizzo. Just throwing it out there.
Yeah. They all brought something that they made off of Tasty.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
If they're located not too far away from the Biggie mural. Okay. All right. If it's called Crown Heights, but they don't like using that term.
Yeah, no. This is
It's East Brooklyn.
Yeah, this is East Brooklyn. This is not. Yeah, it's not.
It's Barclays adjacent.
Yeah. It's not Crown Heights. They had riots there. This is not that type of neighborhood. We're all unified. We lift up the community.
Yeah, we're trying to ban Jay-Z.
We all came together as a community to get Casanova 2X the fuck out of here.
If you have Live Life Love and you also have
Coexist bumper sticker.
Coexist, but you also having Spread Love is the Brooklyn way. If you have anything that says Spread Love is the Brooklyn way, you listen to Lizzo. I don't give a shit.
Man.
All right, we
That's
know
a
this.
fact. You got a cartoon, like a happy cartoon Biggie. Like,
And I say that because Lizzo be getting them checks.
Yeah.
Because people don't even realize. Think about the AT&T commercials. People don't realize Lizzo is the voice of the AT&T. Yo, my girl's getting all them checks out there, man. You can't even hate on her. Cha-ching, ching. All right, meanwhile, me and Mero, we doing digital ads and like DR and
so
shit.
good, baby. You know what I'm saying?
They're like, yo. They're like, before you beat up Haitians, suck up your digital thing.
Yo, necesitas minutos, papi? Call that tab. He's doing the fucking a lot of those bone commercial and shit.
I'm like, before you run guns and beat up homosexuals in Jamaica, top up your digital.
Top up my digital.
Top up your digital. Yo, life with the digital is different, bro.
Yo.
That changed that. You can't just casually be checking your Twitter.
Nah.
No. You gotta wait till you get home.
You gotta go to certain spots. You gotta go to the airport to get Wi-Fi.
I think that's why cheating in like a third world country is more egregious, because it's like,
Man,
you gotta steal data
you really
to make
worked.
that phone call and all that shit.
You really worked hard for this shit.
You don't got like an Uber, so you gotta like walk to Shorty's house or some shit.
Oh god.
Or ride a goat there.
Or get on the back of somebody's motorcycle.
So disrespectful.
Damn, like yo, you rode a moped to your side bitch
You
house?
fucking her for like the 1 hour the island has power.
Yo, you fucking shorty by candlelight?
Yo.
Then you wash your dick with the fucking oil drum full of water?
Right.
Damn. This shit got
Shorty
a dead lizard in it?
gotta wipe herself down with the water you got from the tank in the morning.
Oh, man.
Wow.
She's doing a walk of shame and shit. What the fuck?
Y'all having sex under the mosquito nets?
She's trying to grab onto something, knock down the whole mosquito net. Like, oh, shit, damn.
Niggas fucking by the kerosene lantern. You ever made love with a pillow stuffed full of jeans?
Huh?
Y'all want that life?
She's like, yo, I gotta pee to make sure I don't get a UTI. She gotta go out to the outhouse.
You gotta go to the outhouse with a shotgun and watch her back. Because niggas might try to either the jackal, either the kidnappers or the stray dogs gonna grab her.
Yo,
Then you find out she's just having sex with you for citizenship.
yo, shit is different.
It's different.
It's different out
Shit's
there,
different. It's different. She's like, yo, you American for real?
For real, for real?
For real, like born and raised?
Yeah.
Okay, throw that condom away.
Yo, fuck that.
I'm like, no.
Just pull that shit off with her teeth.
I'm
Like,
like, no. I'm like, why your thing smell like beef patty? I remember my father telling me that at 13, he was like, Don, don't have sex with these girls in Jamaica because they wanted you to have babies and they'll be citizens. And I was like, yeah, one question, what the hell is sex? I was like, what the hell is sex? Like, I'm just figuring out this outhouse shit. Like, I don't know what's going on. I was like, also, I have, like, please don't be offended. You be with my mother a lot. Are you my father?
yo, my pops said the same shit, but like the Dominican version, which was basically like, Papi, you speak English? You get a pussy. I'm like, yo, well, thank you. I was like, yo, it's basically like, yo, it's a layup out here, man.
Yeah,
Like, just be like, yo, come through in the Yankee fitted. Like, you
Oh my God.
you can be swimming in Josh.
Oh my God. I remember
He's like, I'll let you, Papi here. Nigga, let me borrow one of his chains and shit. Like, oh shit, I'm about to be doing it.
Nah, I was like, I'm like, where the hell is the embassy? Because my parents are not bringing the heat. So let me get out this place.
Yeah.
I was like, I'm a political prisoner. I have no AA batteries for my Game Boy.
I put him in the freezer 10
There's no
times.
difference between me and Nelson Mandela. Free me.
Yo, free me toes backwards.
Free me. All right, what else we talk about? Rosh Hashanah. What's the Black Rosh Hashanah? Black Rosh Hashanah is the BET Awards, right?
Gotta be. Or the Soul Train Awards.
BET Awards don't bang the same way they do.
They don't.
What is in the pecking order of Black Awards? Is it BET Awards, Soul Train Awards, and then
Source Awards?
Source Awards?
Yeah, I feel like Source Awards has more history.
Source Awards don't bang the same way. When you used to be able to get stabbed at the Source Awards, that's when people were like tuning in. Now it's like, oh, safe and shit.
Yeah, it's like, yo, you know niggas ain't gonna fight. Or if they are gonna fight, it's gonna end up on World Star now.
It's gonna be like some soft fight.
Yeah.
Niggas don't really lose rappers the way they used to. Because now it's like rappers die from like opioids, like car crashes and shit. Like,
oh damn.
when's the last time a rapper shot another rapper? Rappers? Y'all not shooting other niggas?
They're not bringing the heat.
Okay.
Literally.
All right.
Like literally not bringing the heat.
All I'm saying.
Somebody gotta get clapped.
All I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying? Somebody clapped Tekashi. Fuck it.
Did not Taxstone say he was making the culture hot?
Yeah.
Free the homie.
Yeah.
You know
what I'm saying?
he helped move the podcast culture forward. Should we shoot another podcast?
He also helped move a bullet forward.
Allegedly. What's wrong with you?
Allegedly.
Wow. All these Latino guys want to snitch. Wow.
Taxstone is Latino.
He is Latino, but so are you. Okay?
Yo, for real?
The kid Tekashi 6ix9ine.
He's Honduran.
He's Honduran.
Yeah.
You didn't know Tex was Honduran?
I'm from Honduras?
Beloved?
I would have never. This nigga's from Tegucigalpa?
Straight up.
I would never guess Honduras.
ever. That's why we need a free. We're gonna try to get Taxstone free by saying that he's trying.
He's a political prisoner.
He's a political prisoner.
That's it.
That's right. He's a sanctuary.
He's seeking asylum.
Yes, asylum. Taxstone's seeking asylum. Free tax. Free tax.
No justice, no peace. No justice, no peace. Free political prisoners in Taxstone right now.
Who are the political prisoners right now? The guy in Philly. What's his name? Fresh Prince.
Yes.
Second guy. Edward Snowden. Maybe?
Yes.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
What's her name? Reality winner. The girl with the whistleblower and Taxstone.
Yep.
There you go.
Chelsea Manning?
Yep.
Well, Chelsea Manning's out, but she's back in jail for contempt of court. So it's different. So
Free the homie anyway. You know what I'm saying? Contempt of court is mad bullshit.
matter of fact, let me say some drunk shit. Yo, open up the cells. Take everyone from Attica, send them to Africa.
You know what I'm saying?
Everyone in Africa is like, no.
My friend, no, my friend.
A lot of them are killers.
Yeah, no. A lot of them are bad people.
A lot of them are murderers. You can't just take everyone from Attica like, yo, y'all niggas are free. They're like, yo, where the fuck are we?
Here's your first class ticket to
like,
fucking Air Liberia, my nigga. Like, do your thing.
Niggas land and shit. They're like, welcome to Africa. Also, that's a very white statement. They're like, send them to Africa.
Like, okay.
That's a huge
That's a
place.
continent, sir. It was 68% of
Send them
Pangea.
to Africa is like using Uber when it doesn't know your location and it's trying to figure out where to pick you up from.
Blue circle's wild big.
They're like, so you're getting a car from Manhattan? All right, I don't know where you're heading.
Current location, New York State.
He's like, Africa.
Niggas
with no specific destination.
Like, yo, white people love saying that shit. Africa. Go back to Africa.
Go back.
Where's
I'm like,
that?
where?
Okay, where? What part?
Where?
East, west, north, south?
I was like, well, I mean, the part my family came from, I don't know, before they were dragged to Jamaica. Huh? I don't know. Nigga, I don't know. Also, I'm gonna go back there and be like, what's up?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go back to Africa and be like, Europe?
Yeah, what
Like,
up? Yo. It's been a couple hundred years.
You know,
yo, we back.
Yo, we back, baby. Back like I left something.
Yeah.
And you can't even say to like white people go back to your country because they don't know where the fuck they're
They
from.
don't know where the fuck
They kind of know, but they don't really know.
Man,
they be like, I'm Irish. You be like, from where? They be like,
fucking.
So then they buy Ancestry.com.
Guinness Road.
And then Ancestry.com owns you. And in 10 years, when Ancestry.com starts making clones of all of us, and we're walking around, I'll be like, oh shit, another Jesus.
Remember that movie with with Scarlett Johansson, who she actually played a white woman, and I think Jude Law, The Island.
You know what?
Where they were just harvesting.
Generally,
Wait.
Generally, I would tell you to fuck yourself because the idea that I would see a movie that white is so ridiculous. And here's where I'm gonna blow your fucking brain. I saw that movie.
So you saw that movie?
I saw that movie.
It
was one of the most ridiculous promises ever. So basically, in an island, everyone is like a clone.
Yeah, and you get to win a prize.
You get to win a prize, but when you win a prize, it means a rich person needs like a kidney or something.
Yeah.
So they take you from the island.
The island.
And they take the kidney from you, which is what Amazon is going to do eventually.
Yep.
But you're not gonna be that mad if you can like order a 3D printed kidney from Amazon. You'll be alright.
I'll be alright. You got this old ass kidney.
Fuck that.
You know how much drugs have flowed through this kidney? Take this shit. Give me a brand new one.
We're gonna redo the island. We're gonna do it with black people and shit.
Everybody just needs a new foot from diabetes.
Damn, mama, your leg. We go out of business during like Thanksgiving.
Niggas just run out of feet. Yo, we got kidneys.
I guess we are defeated. Boo, boo.
Oh, brother.
Boo. This guy stinks. Oh,
shit. Damn, now I'm going to be talking because I don't know if it was Ewan McGregor or Jude Law that was in that movie.
It was
Leonardo DiCaprio?
Nah.
I don't. It was somebody.
It wasn't Leo.
We need to remake that movie, but it's gonna be like all the clones are black, and white people take the clones and like steal their blackness for dance competitions and shit. Yeah, or to rap,
like yo, this is the rhythm and shit. Yeah, to steal their dicks.
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, wow, Hunter.
Wow,
that boy got some meat.
He got the girth. Wow. He got that steak and waffles.
You been working out?
Whoa.
How do you work out your cock?
Whoa. Is there a fire? Because I see a fire hose. Wow. Hunter. Tear my shit up. Hunter, Hunter cracked my shit.
Yo, shout out to whoever said it. I don't know if it was on Twitter or the Reddit. We were talking about the gorillas. You fall to the gorilla smashing cheeks. They were like, yo, gorillas got wild small dicks.
They do.
They do, but I mean, like, they got 4 full hips. All right?
They do. Man, disappointed. You would think a gorilla would have a brolic ass dick. They mad big.
Gorillas. Oh wow!
Did you type gorilla dicks into?
I did, and then Google was like, "Do you mean penis?" The average erect gorilla penis is 3 centimeters long. Whoa!
Oh, y'all got the baby dicks. Yo, fuck y'all. Yo, now the answer to the would you fight 20 gorillas? That totally changes. Y'all mad? Y'all ass. I'll fuck all y'all up.
The average shit comes in at like 8 centimeters, but gorillas got the baby meats. Wow, gorillas, you ain't slacking shit.
Wow, fuck out of here. No
Literally,
wonder.
if you fuck a chick after a gorilla, you know you turn her shit up, but she's probably see a therapist. But damn,
yo, no wonder y'all be
so
angry.
if you
all the
ever
time.
get into it with a gorilla, just put your meat out.
Yo, hold
like, what
that.
you doing, you small dick nigga? Get out of here, Vienna sausage. What's wrong with you? Vienna, yo, Harambe ain't get clapped for the kid. He got clapped to get a small dick. How about that? Nigga had mad bad dick reports. Boo.
That's why gorillas be mad aggy all the time, walking around the habitat like, yo, fuck this shit.
That's why female gorillas be like, yo, this nigga ain't satisfying shit.
I'm a fucking orangutan. Fuck that.
His wood can't satisfy her. He need more wood for the fire. Damn, gorillas got some more dicks.
Yo, that's
damn.
Crazy.
I forgot to say, now, if you smoking like a blunt and that shit sure be like, nigga, I'm not sucking on no gorilla dick.
Fuck out of here with your little gorilla
shit.
dick shit.
That sounds like some British shit. What the fuck, bro? Bro, I look like I smoke on gorilla dick? Huh? That's it, bit. Huh? Where's my peas, mate?
Listen, mate.
Huh?
Bruv.
You sit here in Levi jeans?
Bruv, your trousers? Look at your trousers, mate.
Look at your trousers. This man's smoking on gorilla dicks.
Which primate has the biggest dick?
Humans.
Humans?
Yeah.
You out of all primates?
Yeah.
I think we have the smallest testicles.
The average human
gang.
It says the average
testicles.
It's give and take, baby.
Okay. Yo, Victor got the facts on deck.
I'm watching a man hold the penis of what I think is a flaccid beluga whale penis right now on Softpedia.
It says that
some of it I get off my phone.
It says that the average human has a 13-centimeter dick. Can you do the math on that as a back page, nigga? What's the math on that? Yo, how many inches is that?
6 inches?
5.
5 inches?
5 inches.
Damn, niggas out here with 5-inch dicks?
Listen,
That's the average?
That's the average.
Wow.
Yo, niggas coming through with fruit roll-up.
Wow. Dog, your dick is this long?
Niggas got iPhone dick. niggas got YouTube playing in the background now. How you come through with 5? Yeah, how you live with a 5-inch dick?
Yo, fam,
like,
chill.
Nigga, you basically a lesbian.
Stay in the house. Stay in the house. You rocking the strap. Stay in the house.
Wow.
I got that 5-inch in the closet.
They got a pop socket. You small. Yo, if you got a small dick, because the thing is, like, if a chick likes you, she don't care about the dick size until she don't like you.
Yeah.
And then she
your fucking little ass dick.
This nigga got 5. This nigga got 13 centimeters.
No, matter of fact,
Everyone
yo.
on the train is like,
Yo, I don't know if the camera's focused on this, but there's like a layer of focus beyond Desus Mero right now that might confirm what they're talking about. Everybody's looking away, looking at their phone like
little dick niggas.
They're embarrassed for at least 2 niggas they know in their lives.
But then you gotta do the math. Okay, if you believe in evolution, like the people that evolved, they were like the big dick niggas. Because like if chicks wasn't looking for small dicks, so that means what's even worse, like everyone else has bigger dicks than you if you got a small dick.
Damn.
Like evolutionarily, you should not be here.
You shouldn't even be
You
here.
are the weakest link. You are the weakest dick link.
Oh, goodbye. Either that or you pussy mad good.
That's how they survived.
Yeah.
The same way dogs turn to wolves turn to dogs.
Yeah.
Niggas out here eating.
And wild choach.
Imagine you eating choach back in the caveman days when niggas wasn't bathing.
Oof.
Like you eating choach up.
Like, is that wolf fur?
It's moss.
Oh! Yeah, the pussy got algae.
They can pull the twigs and shit out.
You gotta get the little testing strip to test the pH and shit before you go in there.
Stop. Oh, it's Fox. Oh, I know how to get in there.
Oh, sorry.
Go back. You gotta be the first person to eat pussy was a nasty nigga.
Savage.
You know, but
Pure
now
savage.
because I know for a fact it wasn't a woman. Wasn't like, yo, let me suck your dick. It was a guy like, yo, like a woman was probably just trying to hunt or some shit.
Yeah,
so I was like,
yo, stop, motherfucker! I'm trying to build this village. Yo, what the fuck's wrong with you?
Let me eat that from the back though.
Yo, no.
Yo, what's up?
Like, chill.
Yo, I know the Earth's only been here for 3 days. Let me eat that pussy though.
Yo, I mean, you know, like we don't take showers.
Nigga,
we haven't discovered
we
showers
just figured
yet.
out arrowheads. What's up? I got an arrowhead for you.
Yo, put that 5 inches away, nigga.
Oh,
Put that 5 inches away, Gronk. I don't know why that's my automatic caveman name.
nigga got mad offended and like developed the wheel. I got 5 inches, but I got a wheel. How you feel?
I'm
Fuck that.
gonna show this bitch.
Talk about I got 5 inches.
Yeah, watch when I pull up. Watch when I pull up.
Niggas think 6 inches. Who got 6 inches?
Get the fuck out of here.
Fucking Bronson. Okay,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
nigga might have 6
shit.
inches. Niggas don't even wear like loincloths and shit. But
fucking
this shit go around and around.
man.
Fuck that. The fuck you make a wheel for? To fuck it with your 5-inch dick?
You cornball. That's why you put a hole in the middle, stupid.
We can't even hit the product act like because his iPad is dead. This podcast is a message in front to God. Okay? This podcast is like if you marry a goth chick and your parents are Christian. But you know what? It's episode 172.
Yeah.
Another one.
You know what I'm saying? Yes.
Yeah.
We talked about pino.
We talked about pino.
Per usual.
We talked about dick sizes.
That's right.
What else we talked about?
We size shamed y'all niggas.
All right? For my fivers.
5%. You 5%.
You 5%ers. I got the 5-inch in the closet. A lyric my young MA has ever. Yo, dude. You know what? There has to be lesbians that like smaller penises on strap-ons.
Because I've seen a lot of strap-on pino.
Imagine like you come through. Imagine like you a chick with a strap-on. You come through with the wild joint.
The Wild Willy Bobo strap-on?
The Wild Willy Bo, the Orchard Beach. Okay? The De Lo Mio Personal. And Shorty's like, I don't really like that. I don't like that. I don't like that.
I like the little joint.
I like that. I like the Jimmy Dean's breakfast sausage. Yo, speak your boy Jesus Nice. Yo, Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tineo, aka Pocket Stay Fat like, here we go. So, but I might know you, bitch. Young day party, young hot take, DJ say fuego, Mr. Nando's with the Rando. You gotta say that like the Lady Gaga Fernando. Yeah. Nando's. Fernando. The chicken at Nando's is really good though. So check that shit out. You know what I'm saying? Not in America.
Should be here.
Check that shit out in England before Brexit. 1994. Mikhail going off the Juve Walsh MC put up for 40, which is shorty. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. AKA, don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. I don't know you.
No.
And the thing is,
familiar.
I'm talking to me in the Uber pool. It's for other people.
Yeah.
I found out drivers will talk to you regardless.
Oh, they're okay. Unless you on that Uber XL tip and you be like, conversation preference, none.
Well, I just realized I take Ubers longer than most people. Most of my Uber rides are like 40 minutes or more. So you gotta let them talk at some point.
Yeah.
So let them talk for the first 5 minutes. And then, you know, just stop it off.
Yeah.
Just stop it off.
You gotta, and that's why your over the ear headphones are so beautiful because it's so obvious.
Yeah.
It's just like, yo,
yeah.
locking in, fam.
It's true.
I'm in the Matrix. Don't talk to me.
Also, AirPods are anti-Semitic, so don't wear them. Oh, the original plus one is plus one. Don't make a fuss, son.
Yo.
These Rossi the Jamaican Jew. Jermaine avocado toast. That's right. Do you have a piece of bread? Do you have an avocado? Do you want to pay $18 for the two of them? That's me, baby. The young pod that goes to Mufasa. Young
right.
coonery without the coonery.
Oh my God.
And it's very hard to stop the coonery because people constantly call us coons. After we did the thing with Mayor Buttigieg, they were like, we're cooning it. I was like, what is like the line for cooning is a lot higher than that.
I'm like, fam, you gotta like
if we were in the park with him drinking 40s, he had on blackface.
Yes.
And we're like, oh, look out, y'all. Oh, you's the gay man. You drinking a 40. Oh, watch out now.
We can't share no 40 because then I'm going to be gay, too.
Oh, watch out. The good white people not going to vote for you. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Shit coming.
Shucking, jiving.
Mama in the kitchen with sweet peas. Mama in the kitchen, I know. That might be cooning.
Yes.
Okay. But what we did, that's not cooning.
It's not cooning, dog.
Also, you can't coon from the Bronx.
Actually, we made this motherfucker come to the hood, partake in our activities.
Exactly.
And then we just had a sip of a drink in the park. We weren't drinking 40s in the park. It wasn't his idea.
You know what it is? And it's a hot take. Gotta say this. Every black person on Twitter is corny. AK, leave it alone. Never had to relieve for the Yankees. Gay and okay. Two-Phone Jones. DJ Mackin, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cup. Do you remember Dr. Bonner's label? Dilute. Let me dilute a third time. One more time. You know what I'm saying? These are the Chapio. And the 240p. Collect my pino blurry. And you know what? If the person performing died, that's even hotter.
It's even more lit. Yeah.
Am I wrong for that?
No, you're not.
You know when you got a good pino, you look in the comments, it's like rest in peace.
Rest in peace. Rest in peace. I'm gonna miss you.
Rest in peace.
Yo.
I'll be like, no, rest in my palm.
Yeah. That's your boys. Yeah.
Listen, you at those pearly gates. Not me.
Not me. I'm just watching pearls come out your butt.
Yeah. Yeah. We're so nasty. We are so
disgusting.
nasty.
Absolutely disgusting.
We're gonna regret this when, like, in 10 years.
I can't.
We're trying to do anything serious and just play this podcast, and we're like, damn, what are we thinking?
My kids grow up and they're like, "Yo, Dad, we're so proud of you."
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Victor don't even care because Victor's not even alive anymore. He just has his head on a robot body. He's like, I couldn't get physically fit enough.
He's like,
so I made a new one. Boston Dynamics made me. I'm like, what the fuck is this? He's like, look, I can climb a building.
Why? You rock like Krang? Yeah.
He just said himself.
It's just be a curmudgeon-y brain.
He comes in, he's like, I just ran 50 miles in an hour. I'm like, what? What's that? He comes in, he's like spraying oil on his joints and shit.
Niggas in the group text, he's like, "Yo, be in the studio in 5 minutes, running down the West Side Highway." Just left my apartment. Like, what?
Diana's like, Victor's not coming. He ran out of oil. You gotta get towed by a tow truck. I'm like, but he looks good though.
Yo, you know what I'm saying? Niggas like the Gundam wing, fucking.
He's like DJ Woolite because you're listening to Wash FM.
Oh yeah.
There's so many Wash references we can use.
Yeah.
But some of our Wash references are not Wash references to other people.
That's true.
Because and then some of our current references are Wash references to other people. So I'm trying to wonder, what is a good cross section of a song that's definitely, when you hear it, you're like, this shit is Wash.
Yeah.
You never want to hear it.
Oh, you never want to hear it, or like?
So I'm gonna say
nostalgically washed, or just
I'm gonna throw it out here.
Washed?
Chumbawamba.
Oh my god!
Have you ever been somewhere you want to hear tub dumping?
Never.
He drinks a drinking link. He drinks a vodka drink.
Oh, he drinks a soda drink.
Danny.
Oh my god!
Like the only time you hear that is before you get into a fight in a white bar.
Oh my god!
Okay.
Because the white people hear that shit, they're like, I get knocked down, but I get up again, and they're never going to keep me
down. They got their shirts on, he's like, you all sweaty and low, you're like, oh, fuck. Yeah. Gotta get out of here. Like, someone hits you during beer pong, you're like, oh, fuck Chad up.
Fuck Chad.
Fuck this guy. They're having too much fun.
Chad's like, yo, come at me, bro.
He's like, I drink a number. And he's like, yo. Dude. He's like, bro. I feel you because, like, Sicilians are the niggers of Italy, too. And you're like, wow. They get in a wall fight.
Curveball, high and outside.
You get in a wall fight where the bouncer punches you because he's also white.
He just punches you for no reason on the way out. What? He started it.
You get thrown outside. They're like, I'm gonna pop some tags.
I put it in my pocket.
Yo, it's the Curry Goat. These are Spice, the Jamal Ashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion. My heart will go on.
Oh.
Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You cannot contain him. Do not try to put me inside a plastic bag. Do not go to the container store and use Bodega 20 to get 20% off on your purchases because you know that's not how you contain them. The human mimic. Where to?
You know what I'm saying?
Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, heard me, but customer bang did la. Sergio can't see me.
The who?
Vladimir Putin. The human words melting in your mouth. You know what I'm saying? Because you put words in your mouth, you let people know you're old. You probably enjoy R. Kelly.
That's right.
And you know what? You're not dealing with homosexuals.
Look,
at
just,
all.
Go ahead, live your life. Step in the name of love. Just don't bring that shit over here.
LBGTQ sounds more like BOT. Too many letters. I'm not dealing with
that's
it.
right.
All right. Let's go to church. Mr. Beck's our Tekken. Ricky Squad. Also, if any of you listening want to give 10% of your income every month to the Bodega Boys, contact Daiana. She will be taking care of that.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we got that. You know what I'm saying? How much?
This is a religious experience right now.
What is that? 10% every month or 10% of your yearly income?
I think 10% of every
Of
check.
gross.
Of
Okay?
Gross.
Of gross?
Yeah.
Even though we don't pay taxes,
Fuck
we want
that.
the pre-tax
Fuck
amount.
that. Now we doing
Okay?
10% of your daily income.
You know what I'm saying?
Tithe.
Every day.
A tenth.
I want you to, when you get home, go through your pockets and whatever change you got in there, take 10% and send it to us.
You see what I'm saying?
And we will use that money to build.
Drugs.
Yeah. Yeah, build blunts. Listen, because right now, your favorite. You know what I'm saying? The Human Platino. And young Botch on it.
You know what I'm saying?
Scotch bonnet.
You know what I'm saying?
Right now, we're not living the life God wants us to live. When our parents came to this country, they said, you know what we want our sons to do? They wanted us to be smoking on baby dicks.
That's right.
And right now, y'all got us out here smoking on gorilla
Gorilla
dicks.
dicks?
Small dicks.
Y'all want to smoke a gorilla dick?
Listen. Oh, wow. I passed the foreskin. Wow.
Shit went around once.
Niggas in the street smoking harambe.
Huh?
That's not how we
Is
supposed
that what
to
you
live.
want? That's how we supposed to live?
Nigga.
You know what I'm saying? Smoking a tube full of demons? You
Nigga, I want to smoke that Rugrat dick.
know what I'm saying?
Okay?
That Chucky dick. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker.
Mero wants to put Chucky's dick in his mouth. Make that possible.
How dare, you know what I'm saying? Our parents gonna come here for us to smoke little dicks?
No little dicks. Big dicks.
Only.
All right?
Where my niggas with the big dicks?
All right? Niggas, I'm tired of smoking Curious George dick.
Need that fucking Ray J dick.
Okay?
That boy got some meat.
Do you remember when the John Young Aaron the Russian Rock Tour, Henry Buckhouse, Nelson Mandela, Cedric can't see me, Vanderbilt for the world, human world is melting in your mouth. The big meat. Mr. Beck's out take Ricky Squabby, Greg Popovich, yeah. More say with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber. Juice the press, but your boy. Never is. Never been pressed. Actually, once I was pressed because I was trying to get home. And the MetroCard machine was like, no bills, no coins, no credits, no Apple shit. And I was like, I guess I live in Penn Station now. So I took off my shoes and put down some cardboard, started wetting myself and cursing at people. Going around Cockamo, you fucking bitch.
Yeah, bitch. You stink.
Yeah. Just went and got salad out the garbage. I live in the CVS. Yo. Being homeless at Penn Station is one thing.
Yo.
But buying pornography from the CVS at Penn Station,
That's
you a whole nother level of scumbag.
levels.
Like
That's
you gotta get
levels.
your shit together, bro.
You're the guy that's just like in the corner with reading the pino, talking to himself, sounding like he can
I'll go
sleep.
even further to say, if you buy printed pornography in 2019 and you are not in jail,
You're wild.
you are a sick fuck.
You're a savage.
You are Law and Order SVU on your own.
There's no private browsing for a physical print of pino.
What are you gonna like? You watching you nigga?
What are you reading?
Fam, you're looking at pornography. You do this. Come on, bro. You put on your reading glasses
Yo!
to read pornography.
Imagine, yo, there's a dude whose job is like he's an editor of a Pino magazine.
Yeah, and he's damn proud of it.
Yeah.
He's like
And-
15 years straight.
And he's just like, damn, y'all, when is the other shoe gonna drop? When are we gonna go full digital?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
It would make shit easier.
Oh,
Damn.
you hate to see it.
Hate to see it. Should we bring
They're taking all our jobs.
They're taking. Should we make that retro? Should we bring Pino magazines?
Yeah.
No, we
zines.
shouldn't.
Fanzines.
Zines are good because listen, if you never had a zine, you're not real.
You get a Pino zine.
Okay. Shout out to my organized confusion / beat nuts zine. Shout out to all 4 readers in my mother's house.
Shout out to my graffiti zine that I made up that was just black and white pictures of my graffiti.
www.gocities.com 281794 SimCity Boulevard /Jesus.html /CGI-bin. I'm just yelling at Black Moon like, check out my page.
Yeah.
My
Link in
heart.
bio.
Man, Mahatma Gandhi, not Mega people. I got cucumber, the juice, the president, whatever. I not done the done dollar noosh. No more cup of noodles, the Prince of Peck on the Fast Nova, Cast Nova. We make sense. 5 cents, 10 $10. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. Big money wine. Big true. Big money wine. So big, gotta use a lube. The only after my salute is what? Dipset. That's right. You know Mr. Sacker Crashman Square One top left man says what?
Well, Marv, bro, don't cheese me, bro.
Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow. Mr. Soppoco all do is count checks and what?
Jerk the fuck up.
Jerk off. Jerk off till my skins is splintered. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda and who?
Sunny D!
Hey, that's me.
Hey! Do you want to drink orange juice that tastes like I drank it and spit it back out?
Who wants some high fructose score?
Yeah!
Yo, it's Jesus Urban. Hey, these expensive, these is red, but these are Smoke Keem, Noah, Angel Cool, Nana. Yeah. AKA the Junior, Energy God Junior.
Yo.
Come sit down, Pommy.
Sit on the charger. Yeah, put the dongle.
There you go. Kobe Perko got your bitch on free.
You know what I'm saying?
This type of gossip and Sayasa. Shout out to 11791.
Billy Joe gang.
Oh shit, they checking the tickets. Let me hide in the bathroom. Yeah, you know what it is.
Zip,
AKA Grandpa Junior. Can you see Charlie? You see? Oh, Grandpa Joe. Can you see Charlie? You see me? Don't touch that golden ticket on my golden cat because I'll chop you. Oh, by the way, steal this everlasting gobstopper. Your man Dead Ideas. Hey, morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if I give these Native American smallpox. Been shopping at street with bad bees like I'm easy, please believe me.
Goddamn.
The black Asiatic addict who crack your back like an automatic craft medic, Mr. La Marina, the left Marina, or the fresh Mr. Marina, cold misdemeanor. Let me say that again. Mr. La Marina, Marina, with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA the cheek mask killer. The Black Zach Moores of Port Moores. AKA Problem Maybe is not a secret family. If you know about them and talk about them in the podcast and mention your father had a secret family. And now you mention you have a secret family and people should do the math. So there you go. All right. Shout out to the Rubensteins. Up next, we got everyone's favorite Dominican.
Oh my God!
Who's not King Felix Hernandez?
No, it's not King Felix. No, it's not A-Rod. No, it's not Big Papi. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, the Mero, aka the Human Direct Flap, aka Donovan McDab, aka Curve Gotti, aka Cherise Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? Aka Skirt Loader, hop the curb, hit your Basenji, nigga, keep it moving. I don't give a fuck, nigga. Call Peter, aka I don't fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Aka you don't need to check the guest list. I am the motherfucking guest list, nigga. I played Otis and Milo and Otis, motherfucker, and all of them shits. You know what I'm saying? Let me in there. Yo. Matter of fact, they shoot this nigga's fucking do-rag flap on. Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. You know what I'm saying? AKA CC Bathia. You know what I'm saying? If you smell that pungent aroma coming out of my basement, you know what time it is. THC concentrates are being vaporized into my lung pieces. You know what I'm saying? Into my bronchioles. You know what I'm saying? Oh, can you feel it? That baby. That funky sensation. You know what I'm saying? AKA James St. Verdict, I'll ghost on you, shorty. You know what I'm saying? Check the power of the peanuts. You know what I'm saying? AKA get into the shmoney and the schmunk as your boy Gomez Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? AKA I got my daughter ready to suit up for the Liberty. You know what I'm saying? #1 draft pick, highest paid at WNBA player in the history of the sport. You know what I'm saying?
#1.
Because I'm a motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Smack Beyond Boy. AKA
Ben Smack.
The Yayo Merodana. You know what I'm saying? AKA Dick and your baby on top of, you know, come to this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me now. Stop. I'm just playing. I respect her agency. So if she decides to consensually accept me into her womb, I will do that. But until then, I will wait. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? We are the Woke Boys. A.K.A. David Trisdale, nigga. I'll take that for data. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Barlow Zantana. So smooth, I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car.
Hey, that's a car after you.
Yeah, who cares? It's a smart car. You know what I'm saying? Just push it down the hill. You'll be all right.
That's how me and my wife get into the hospital.
I guess you ain't go to the hospital. That bitch about to die. You know what I'm saying?
Wow. Okay. All right.
Sick and swing, motherfucker. A.K.A. the Dominican Dada Dykeman Daddy. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. swipe my card again. There's definitely money on it. Don't make me embarrass you when the management comes out here and asks me how Heather and the kids are doing. That's selfies. Edward. Huh? You like your little fucking job of Rite Aid, nigga? To put the fucking Plan B in the fucking bag and keep it moving.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Romeo Santos. So Danny, let me black out. Yo, tu favorito, mami. Yo, I just did Life is Beautiful with Desus and Mero. Yo, oh my God, it was so lit. Yo, it was so lit that I fucking took off my Chelsea boots to fuck your titi on stage, motherfucker.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna be at MetLife next, stupid. Tearing it down with my peoples. You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. Lightning Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in
your eyes.
That your broken
Ain't got five.
You ain't got five. God damn, motherfucker. I feel like we at Diddy levels, dog. I don't even. Who's the president on the $5 bill? I don't even know. I don't even know.
I don't got five.
Is it Howard Taft on the $5 bill? I don't even know. Who's on that shit? Fuck out of here.
Fight him, Mero. Fight him.
Fight you. I'm drunk. AKA Tom Brady, I got my balls inflated, you know what I'm saying? Me and Bobby Kraft, we in the shower with table shower boys, you know what I'm saying? We in the building. AKA Lil Soon is the first nigga to tap on live, you know what I'm saying? Off that gas, you know what I'm saying? Been doing it. AKA Friday Night Messy MVP of Gelato. And also, AKA Zaniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks, you know what I'm saying? So I can fall asleep on this transatlantic flight. AKA Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi. That's
now
right. You know what I'm saying?
Now open in Long Island Park. Be sure to go to Great Neck to go to Mama Sushi's, hosted by Big Time Tommy.
That's right. Take it easy. If you want to smoke hooks with me and P.O., show up at Strong Island.
Ooh, take it easy, Tommy. What are you doing? We can't
DJ Vinny Diccks is going to be spinning all the freestyle hits all night. You know what I'm saying? While we hit the hooks.
Listen.
All right?
Listen, you want a good time? We take it old school.
Mama Sushi Ronkonkoma.
That's right. Come out.
Tell them Big Tommy sent you.
And Vinny too. And like, if you brown people want to come, like, I'll tell security, let them be nice to you.
That's right. No hats, no do-rags.
No blacks.
Okay. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. I will surgically restrict your mandible and replace your tongue with a piece of paper from a phone book so you can say some names, but keep our names out of your motherfucking mouth, you
They're
coward.
gonna impeach your boss. How you feel about that?
Yeah, well, you know what? I ain't going down with that nigga. I'm ready to snitch, baby. Call me Takashi Boston. Cookie, get the names in the strap. AKA, open the motherfucking medicine cabinet. You know what the fuck it is, man. It's the Zen, man. It's got about a weed. You know what I'm saying? Get on the plane, eat 4 Zans, and fucking wake me at my destination. You know what I'm saying? AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport 25 niggas got garbage on the way, and they stamped they from Delaware, nigga. Fucking Corn Pop made them shits. AKA Nino Brown shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? Got your shorty butt naked backing up. AKA live from the parking lot at Western Beef in Soundview. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me lean. You know what I'm saying? AKA I told you, mate. Festivals, you know, shows, sold out shows across the nation, mate.
You see it?
You know what I'm saying? There's 2 rock stars left in this world, mate. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Trying to sell you my old Honda for some money for Chris.
Listen, man, it's only been driven by Mero. Only drove it to like the store for blunts and back, man.
Bro.
You're not. Listen, bro.
Come on, bro.
Like, come on, bro. It's a good car.
It's a great car.
It's a good car.
You could put another 100,000 miles on it. Remember the story about?
Listen, no pressure. But I mean, we just like if you want to buy it right now, like we'll take it right now.
Well, yeah, we'll take
We just
cash,
need some money
bro.
right now. Take
Personal
cash,
check, you know,
cash,
whatever.
personal check. I mean, if you want to suck our dicks, that's
You know what I'm
cool
saying?
too.
That's cool too.
That's
you
cool
know,
too.
you know, we could. I
I don't really see. I mean, it's a transaction, so I'm not really seeing anything sexual about it. But
it's just like a payment.
Sexual. Yeah, well, that mouth is good on me.
Yeah.
I should have on American Idol, right?
Yeah, it's good.
That's good. It's
Should-
good shit.
You should go on the Masked Singer.
There we go.
Yeah, shout out to Nick Cannon.
Yeah. He's got a cannon.
That boy got some meat. AKA, I mean, Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? That boy got some meat. Mike got some meat. You know what I'm saying? AKA, chilling at the crib of Venables, waiting for Kyrie and Katie to call in a Google Hangout. It's Barmelo's Anthony. Bang! Oh my God, that went way off the rim. Oh my God, your overall on NBA 2K20 is 57. Yeah, I hate to see it. Yo, if you see me at Target higher than fucking Shaq, doing a dab, you know what I'm saying, while sitting on top of another shack, you know what I'm saying, approach me like a motherfucking earth sign mammal, dog, because I will react erratically, and one swipe from my bare paw could decapitate you. You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? AKA, you know who it is, kids. It's your favorite Benzo the Clown. Call me, I'll do your kid party, but I need the cash up front because I'm starting to get the shakes. It's kind of, woo.
but I got my buddy here, Mr. Fun Fun. He's gonna take over while I go vomit and drive behind the van.
You all right? Oh wow. Well, I wasn't expecting to have to entertain any kids here, but any kids here virgins? I mean, you're all 8. But
Okay, I'm back.
Wait. You kids know about you guys know about the pull-out method?
No, Mr. Fun Fun, that's enough. That's enough. We're gonna do balloon animals now.
You put your foot in the manual.
No.
Take
Okay.
it out.
All right.
How many kids here don't have parents?
Oh God. Mr. Fun Fun is gonna teach you guys how to gape.
Let me ask you a question. How many of you kids live with just your mother and you don't really like her and you wanna, go somewhere where you'll be respected and treated like an adult?
Hey, Mr. Johnson,
come live with me.
You got my money?
Yeah.
I'm gonna leave Fun Fun here. I'm gonna go ahead and
I want to talk to you about those places where you're growing hair.
All right, bye.
Let's go. Come on, kids, to a whole world full of imagination. Come to Mr. Fun Fun's Chopped Cheese Factory. 5 kids will eat a chopped cheese, you get a golden ticket in there. You get a golden ticket in your mouth, and you get a golden ticket in your mouth later, if you know what I mean. Come to the factory. The problematic light is broken, so I can say whatever I want. All right?
I'm so fake lead to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker's very, very high off melatonin and fucking fruit chews that I found at the bottom of my kid's lunch bag. You know what I'm saying? And he's gonna drop the worst mixtape of the year, but it's gonna slap though because it's gonna be entirely produced by Metro Boomin. You know what I'm saying?
Metro Boomin wants some more, nigga.
You know what I'm saying? And you know what time it is now. Hasan, tírame la pista, coño. Oye, que lo que.
Here he goes with the Spanish again.
You know what I'm saying? Llegó el intento de FIFA, coño. Tú estás en baja y yo caliente. Así que conmigo no, mamá huevo. Llega el flow. Yo sé que te guilla cuando saca la cuenta y yo saco la manilla. Demagogo el diablo, coño. Shout out a todos los haters. You know what I'm saying? This one's for you, mamá huevo. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Showtime. Shout out a Cash App, como siempre. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a Hasan, coño, que pone la nota. You know what I'm saying? Víctor, el factuario. You know what I'm saying? Desus bueno. You know what I'm saying? Las nenas de la bodega. Daiana y Vicky. You know what I'm saying? Sí, güey, que están en la casa también. Estamos aquí activos con Mero. Y finalmente, shout out a mi presidente Pío. Secretario de Defensa activo con el cañón, mi hermano. Sueltan los sueltos y me avisa.
Nothing but respect.
You know what I'm saying?
Nothing but respect.
Episode 172.
You know what it is. Bodega Boys in the building.
You know what I'm saying?
Podcast though free. You know what it is. Do we have any tour dates coming up? We don't. But we
Houston, November 9th.
That's right. Houston, November 9th. You know what it is. Megan Thee Stallion's opening for us.
Yeah.
She doesn't know yet.
Yep.
Got a show on Showtime. Check it out. DJ Mero.
Oh,
no more show on late night.
Right. Yeah,
Coming back. Coming back. Got t-shirts on deck.
BodegaBoys.net. You know what I'm saying?
I believe they say the brand is strong. You know what I'm saying? We've been here so long, it's too late to test us for steroids.
You know what I'm saying?
Because now you just be embarrassed because the records have asterisks. And you know what it is? Avoid the bookings and please don't talk to any cops.
That's right.
We out.
Comes what? Peace.